What's up, fam? What's going on, guys? How is everybody doing? Welcome back to the night shift. My name is Brad. I'm your host. Here for another glorious 4 hours. Trying to make a little money in the Asia session. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a great day today. I had a great day today. It was a great day. Trading wise, it was like a mixed bag for me, but mostly good, some bad. I had a mental error on my new funded account, which I'll explain to you guys in a minute. But welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Smash the like button on your way in. Crazy trading day, crazy stuff to go over. Very excited because we, right here on this show in just a few minutes, will be requesting another $1,000 payout, baby. Super excited about that. Super excited about that. So hope you guys are having a great afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is you find yourself in the world today. Welcome to the night shift here on the Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. My name is Brad. I'm your host here every single night, Sunday night through Thursday night. This will be the final stream of the week. No market on Friday nights, so this is my last little bit of time to hang out with you for the trading week. It has been an incredible week again. I need to go back and look. But I think, let me, hold on, give me 1 second. I'm just going to look at something here real quick. I think that, let's see, let's just do a little math here. We had 7.5K views yesterday, 7.7K views Tuesday, so that's 15.2, 6.8 on Monday, so that's 22,000. 7.5 on Sunday. That's 29.5. So all of that to say, we're going to crack 30,000 views for the week on the night shift for the second week in a row. Oh my God. 2 weeks in a row. Over 30,000 views. That's incredible. We've had 2 nights in a row of hitting 700 likes on the stream and 2 weeks in a row of 30K plus views for the week. So I don't know what's going on around here. I'm just here along for the ride with the rest of you. Miss K911, Lucas Krug, Secul LOL, Mark Frank, Air 23, Duarte Machado, Madeline, Saint Ims, Witch on the Roof, John Prano, JLB Toronto Blue Jays, Fraser, Rogue of the Lamb, Marcelo Pacheco, Deagle, Devil Jinx, Moroccan, John Wicks Trades, T for Keeps 007, SimD 2320, Charlie GDL Trading, Calf. Who else am I missing? Sam, My Travel Journal, Croatian Sensation, 1LJ Redbird, Trade It Now, Icy Hawk, Landlord Logic, Sandy Brammer, Maddie Bader's back, Brandley Billings, Dave Mack, Double Keto, Savvy 8464, Farina Mama, Kimberly Campos, Lino Gardner, Mac Dabrowski, Dave Mack, Jaybirds, Matt Evans, Rod Trades, Phoenix Trades, Forbidden Shenanigans, the online Game Boy, Kurt Nichols, Wok Racine, Dumb Money. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. So glad you guys are with us tonight. I've already locked in $110. That is going to secure another payout tomorrow at the end of the close on this 25K Flex. Payout number 2 on that account tomorrow. This account right here, we're going to take a payout in just a moment for $1,000 on. This account here, we locked in about $100 and something. If you will remember from last night, I had a 4th funded account last night. It fell today. At that lunchtime pop, it fell today. Was not expecting that news when it's going heavy, and it got ripped. The evaluation that I was trading last night passed. This morning, loaded it up, and the mental error. So let me just go back over here to this lunchtime pop. Right here is where I got blown up on the one funded account. I was looking to go short. I was actually in a short, like right in here-ish at the break of these lows. I was in a short right here, and I was in the green. I was ready. I wanted to close it just under this half gap line here. And of course, we just started ripping at that 11:30 hour, and it blew up. But what I forgot was that I had a limit order on that new evaluation account. I had a limit order of 8 micros right here at the top here. But I forgot about it, and I was at lunch with Lady Darb today. Just enjoying a nice little Tex-Mex meal, and got a notification that the account was breached. And I just totally forgot I had a limit order there. So I actually lost 2 funded accounts, which does suck. It absolutely does suck. But the other 3 accounts were all green. So I'm not going to lose too much sleep about it, because we're about to request $1,000 tonight and about $900 tomorrow night, which more than makes up for those 2 fundeds. And I still have both of those fundeds will still be active. This one with max buffer. This one I'm still working towards a 3rd payout. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. It was a little bit. It wasn't too expensive. I mean, it was $70. Both of those accounts cost me, well, one cost me $90, one cost me $70. So it wasn't that expensive. It was really more the time. The time put into those accounts is what was more of the loss for me, not the $160 of those accounts. And the fact that I'm about to request $1,000 tonight and then another $900 tomorrow, completely more than enough. That's $1,900 request payout in 24 hours. That more than makes up for the $160 that I lost on those 2 funded accounts. So I am going to be taking half of those profits and putting them into my cash account. We're building that up slowly but surely. And better than using my real money. I didn't lose, I didn't lose $2,000. I lost the $160. So that's how that works. So how was your day today? Were you red? Were you green? Did you pass any evals? Did you request any payouts when the market closed today? Were there any fallen soldiers that we need to salute here in just a little bit? Let me know. So tonight, here's what I did tonight on this account, the very first Flex account. I bought right at the open. As soon as it dipped down to HP, I bought it, closed it out for 110. I bought again on this, the one that's new eval that I fired up. I fired up a brand new 25K Flex eval for 100. I bought at VWAP right here as we came back down and we started basing out. I bought right at VWAP and was green. And then Trump decided to post that he wasn't happy with the way the Strait of Hormuz was opening, and you saw that news slap me down and stop me out for a small little loss here. I'm still bullish. I'm not expecting the market just to die out. In fact, we're sitting here at the yellow line. It's a great place for me to get back long right here. I don't think the market is going to die off. I think that if you look at the daily chart, let's jump up to the daily chart here. Oh, wow, you guys are answering me. Blue and eval and funded today. Rip to the fallen soldiers. My account got blown. Breached and funded account today. I was red today. Traded at the start of the school day, and sometimes it's a challenge. Yeah, that's hard. Second account, beginner eval at 60%. Hope to pass tomorrow. GG's. Gabe had to bury a few good soldiers today. Me too, buddy. St. Ims, I have a fallen soldier in a minute. My last futures desk static eval has 350 left in drawdown, 5 micros short. Let's get it over with. I'm liquidity, lost an eval that I'd been baby stepping for 4 days. Took a big hit on the rest of my accounts. Funded only 180 away, but 2 fresh flex evals. Duarte is green. I use Financial Juice to follow all the latest headlines. Double Keto says I blew back to my live cash account. Matt's betting it goes down. Wonder if he's still short. Doesn't matter. He's got bank if he isn't. Yeah, I'm not worried about Matt. Matt is sitting on over 600K withdrawals already. He's doing just fine. This is just, I think, his first red day. I don't even know how he actually finished out, but I know this was like he's been green. Like it was at 200K, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, and just 4 or 5 days he got it up to like 3s, whatever it was, and then whatever hit he took today matched just fine. I'm about to go over my thesis of why we're still bullish here a little bit. Not that it can't pull back. Green and currently long. Rogue of the Lamb, nice. Dave Mack says, proud to say I haven't blown an account in almost 6 months. Way to go, Dave. Way to go, buddy. Trade it now. Red on the day. There was a lot of red out there, man. There was a lot of red out there today. A lot of fallen soldiers. Yeah, and then, yeah. Also, let's not forget the 10K a day that he's taken out from Take Profit Trader for the last 6 days in a row. Believe me, Matt is doing just fine, guys. He probably finished green and he just hasn't said anything. Who knows? Dude, there's so many days he's been down 80K and up, ended the day up green 30K, so. The boot camp is great. If you haven't taken the boot camp, I highly recommend it. We'll probably be doing some boot camp giveaways here tonight. I don't have jalapeno potato chips tonight. Tonight, we got some Lay's sour cream and onion. We got some Lay's sour cream and onion tonight. Stopped by our little sundries room on the way in and picked up a snack. Lady Darb is teaching her... Lady Darb's teaching her hot Pilates class tonight. It's about to start in just a few minutes. So she is out for at least another hour and a half. She might be bringing some food later on her way home. We'll see if she stops and grabs anything. But for now, I'm just going to munch on some sour cream and onion. I'm Liquidity says, barely touched my one funded Lucid till today. And of course, all the days I tanked it on this one. It just, you know what, man? It was a weird day. I found it hard to switch my bias. I've been kind of bearish bias, but after today, we were unable to find newer lower lows after we broke the high of the news event from the ceasefire, which is why I think we're still going to be bullish here. I know the news economic data isn't great. And we might get a little bit of a tell down here in the Asia session. But I think overall, this thing could still be going up for the next. I think we take out yesterday's high. I don't think that high that we put in today, this afternoon, right near, like right before MOC, we took out and put in a new high of day. So I don't think that's the high of the week. I think we could. That's not to say tomorrow can't end red. It's not to say we can't get a little pullback on Friday. some lower volume trading on Friday, but I think we're going to take out Friday's high or yesterday's high. I think tomorrow puts in a new weekly high, and then it may sell off. We get a little bit of a upper wick on the weekly candle, maybe retrace a little bit. It wouldn't surprise me if we just kind of range here a little bit tonight or drift up. I don't think we have MHP down here is going to be a great buy opportunity. We have HP right above us, which was a great right off the open buy on ES and on NQ. We're holding below it. It would be nice to see that get retaken and then push back up. You know, I would be willing to at least target the Asia Open on a trade for this specific trade here right now. I just don't think unless Trump just comes out and says, unless Trump just drops some news is like, hey, they're not honoring their deal, more bombs tonight. Obviously, that'll drop this market and tank it hard. My estimation is since we've consolidated after that news and we didn't show any desire to retrace back down to the ceasefire news event way down here, we consolidated news and now we've broken higher. We took out yesterday's high. We made a new weekly high today. The market is still kind of in the exhilaration phase of the ceasefire is going to hold up. Now that is obviously tenuous. Things can change very rapidly. Headlines can obviously shoot this thing all over the place. But for me, I'm going to be looking to buy dips right now. I don't see a case for a massive just sell off here from this point on. Not to say we can't drift lower. Like if we drop 50 points down to MHP, that's not a big move. Like 50 points is not a big move. Like that's a perfectly normal Asia session move. So we could drift lower down MHP. I would go heavy here on MHP, maybe even load up a funded account and try that again. But for now, I'm perfectly willing. You can see how aggressively the yellow line has held as support and resistance. I'm expecting it to hold as support here again tonight for the Asia session. That's why I got in right where I did just now. So see if it holds out. We'll see how it plays out.
Yeah, you like that big green stick, don't you? Watch it stretch, baby. No red tonight. Blue pill candles rise on command.
Matt was pretty convinced we were heading lower. My understanding is there's a big gamma wall at 6,900 area on ES. Could be. I'm not saying that we can't go lower, guys. Like, of course we can go lower. We all are aware that the economic data is still not fantastic right now. But from the price action that I saw today, I think we get one more pop up of kind of good news. The ceasefire came out this week, right? This is the week that we keep making. We're slowly gonna burn off that exhilaration before news data takes over and it pushes lower. So Matt even said on his stream today, this thing's probably gonna go lower, and I'm probably right, but I might be early. And he says that a lot, right? Like he's willing to take a gamble and a bet that he's right, but he might be early. The market hasn't quite fizzled out to the top. And if you look at the hourly time frame, you can see like where DD band is sitting, you can see there's a lot of this. This is right back into kind of the bottom of this choppy range. There's going to be a lot of selling pressure up here around the 25,380 to 25,450 level. So it wouldn't surprise me if we get our last little push up into here, and then that's where we start to see some of that overarching economic data start to play back into the thesis of how the market wants to move. So that's kind of why I am thinking that I'm willing to hold this. I'm willing to add in and kind of get heavy down here. If we drop to MHP tonight, I will be going heavy on MHP, an MHP buy there. 100% I will. ES probably would get there before NQ on any melt off. MHP on NQ, which is retesting yesterday's high as well. Right over here was the high that ES took out aggressively. So getting a retest of yesterday's high right at MHP on ES would be a prime buy opportunity for me as well. What's up, Matty Matt? We were just talking about you. Were your ears burning, bud? What's up, dude? All right. Who's ready? Who's ready to watch me take a $1,000 max capped payout on my Lucid Pro 25K account, buddy? Matt ended up down 60K. That's all right. You just took out 60K. Ironically, you just took out 60K over the last 6 days from TPT. So let's just call it a break-even wash. How about that, man? Oh, it's hilarious. Here we go. All right, I'm going to request. This is the first payout I took a week ago. I took this payout live on the stream. And on that account that's at 2007, I'm going to be doing another payout on this account. You decided against the G-Wagon? The Ferrari it is. It's a beautiful color. All right, we're taking the payout right now. Request $1,000 payout. I'm going to take it to my Wells Fargo account. We're requesting $1,000, baby. And I'm gonna pull up my bank account and just show you how fast Lucid pays out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna load up my bank account right now. I'm gonna pull it up and I'm gonna show you how fast this hits my account. We're gonna time it. Here we go. Request. Payout request payout successful. We got $1,000 heading my way, dude. It's actually gonna be 900. It's a 90-10 profit split. So, here we go. I'm watching my bank account right now. We will see how fast it hits. Last time it was under 2 minutes. And there it is. There it is. There it is. In my bank. Under a minute. Under a minute. So good. So freaking good. 900. There it is. I'm telling you, dude, it's Lucid is so fast. Under a minute, it hit my bank, requested 1,000 in my bank less than a minute later. And now you can see that account is back down to, let's see, which one was that? It was this one. Oh yeah, so it's already updated on my DOM, so it's down to 26,153. It's this one right here. All right. So I still have $1,150 max. I have my max drawdown still in place. I haven't gone into my buffer, and I was able to request the full capped $1,000 payout. This account tomorrow. I now have, look at this green. Look at this green, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 straight days. And tomorrow I will be able to request half of this, the 17, almost $1,800. I'll be able to request basically $900 tomorrow when the market closes off that account. So that'll be 2 payouts in 2 days. And then I'm still kind of just baby stepping this one up. I need to get this one. This one we're just slowly grinding it up. I would like to get this one to a max payout as well. So that's going to be about another $600, $700. But if I am able to take a payout, I'll probably just take it and lock in those money and still keep my max buffer limit there because I'm close to that. So, dude, we are rocking and rolling on the night shift. I'm telling you, things have just started to click here on the trading. The Asia session, things are starting to lock in. I'm starting to roll in the payouts now. That's payout number 2. Payout number 3 will be tomorrow. Payout number 4 will probably be either Sunday or Monday. So very cool. Glad to do that right in front of your face, so y'all don't see that there's anything crazy going on. We do it all live right here in front of your face. $49 seconds. Somebody was timing it. 49 seconds. Thank you, Kyle. Kyle holding down the it's just nice to see. Look, like y'all know I work for a church. I am not rich yet. I'm not wealthy yet. So like $900 is $900, man. You know what I mean? Like, I'll take it. Ain't too shabby. And if you can lock in 2 or 3 a week of those, hey, now you're cooking. You're cooking with gas, baby. All right. So it is the bottom of the hour. And at the bottom of the hour, the bottom of the first hour here on the night shift, we like to pause. We like to remember those accounts that have gone and paid the ultimate price, those little soldiers that we sent out to fight for some greenbacks, to go out, do some battle out in the market and run back with some money. They followed their orders. They did what they were told to do. And alas, they paid the ultimate price. Though they are gone, they are not forgotten, and we salute them. We pause to remember.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price.
Oh, that lucid one
We
hurts.
rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. We salute you, accounts that have fallen in battle. You are gone, but you are not forgotten. You are part of our journey. We will not forget all that you have done for us along the way. Online Game Boy says, Brad, the Rocket Scooter 20-day training, I paid for it, and when watching the video keeps freezing and restarting at the same time, and I can't continue it. Any ideas why this is happening? Maybe log out, log back in. That's happened to me a couple times as well. So you could try downloading it, or you could try watching it from the actual marketplace dashboard as well. So those are a couple different options for you. Almost a VWAP, Dan. We couldn't get above it. I'm hoping we can get a close up above VWAP there. All right, guys, smash that like button. You know the rules. Our show is growing, and so 200 is no longer good enough. The first giveaway tonight, 300 likes. First giveaway tonight is 300 likes. We got it. The show's growing. The show is growing. We gotta like get the numbers up. All right, 300 likes. We've got a funded next 25K rapid account. If we get the likes up pretty high tonight, we also have a Big Daddy, a straight to funded 50K Tradeify Lightning account, straight to funded, no eval. But 300's the first. The first stop on the like train is 300. So go ahead and smash those buttons. We're halfway there already. Like, subscribe, and share. You know how this goes. You know how this goes. Like, subscribe, and share, guys. All right. Let me jump over here into the chat and see what's going on. What's up, Drops? How you doing, man? Hope you had a good day. Good to see you back. Farina says, Brad, I have a new favorite song, and it doesn't get enough attention. Ooh. What is it? I'm interested. My curiosity has piqued. Time for some wick tickling? Yeah, I need to, we didn't really tickle a wick here on the bottom, but maybe we'll get a wick tickle on our fill up here, back around the Asia Open. Asia Open, let me mark that on my chart. It's right there at the top, right above my current limit order. Let me zoom in here so I can change that. Bear with me momentarily. All right, there we go. I like watching on the 5-minute time frame. I don't need to have all that 1 minute information on there. I don't trade candles. I don't trade patterns. I just need to kind of know where price is at. All right. Farina, oh my God, you hadn't liked yet? Oh my God, don't fire. Come on, Farina. Require the entrance to be subscribed and you'll hit that sub target sooner. Yeah. I don't have a way to filter subbed versus just viewers. And I don't want, like, we don't force anybody around here. We're happy to have the trading community hanging out with us. So it's all good. I Am Liquidity says, let's do a giveaway for me. Before all the bots show up. Yeah. We hit a new high concurrent viewer last night, 769. 769 concurrent viewers on the show. That's a new all-time high. Never Going Back is your new favorite? All right. I'll play that one for you, Farina. No, we do not trade call put walls, no. Well, I guess technically you could maybe describe the liquidity. I guess technically you could describe the liquidity pockets as call put walls, but they're not. We don't call them that or treat them like that. Better than I'm Still Here. Hey man, everybody can have their own. Everyone can have their own favorite Sir Darb song. There's a lot of variety in there. I do have a new song for y'all tonight. I have a new song to play. I haven't added it to the playlist, so nobody's heard it yet. Darb, not Sarb. Mike. What's up, Mike? Sup, Sarb? Sup, dogs? You've been listening to FOMO nonstop? FOMO turned out really well. I really like FOMO. It turned out really well. The flex accounts have no buffer. So that's one of the benefits of the flex is there's no buffer and no consistency. So the thing with the pros is the nice thing that the pros kind of force you to do is to build the buffer. And you can't withdraw into your buffer on the pro, on the 25K pro. So to take a max payout, you have to have $2,100 in profit to take the max payout. So the good thing about that is when you take that max payout like I just did, I'm still left with my max drawdown available to me. And now I don't have to build a buffer from payout 2 and on. No more buffer from payout 2 and on. Now I can just do 40% consistency. So I can now on the pro accounts, after this first buffer building stage on the pro accounts, I can, I've locked in my $1,000 payout. I still have my max drawdown buffer. Now I can just trade for 3 days with 40% consistency. And I can either go for $1,000 over 3 days, or I could just trade, make 2, 4, 600, whatever, $200 a day, take a $600 payout, and I can just keep farming $500, $600, $700 payouts every 3 days on the pros. So the front end work on the pro accounts to build that buffer and get past that and get to your max payout is going to set you up to be able to hopefully take future payouts on that same account over repeated payouts. Now on the flex side, there is no buffer to hit. You just have to have 5 days of $100 profit, and there's no consistency. So if you wait for an A+ setup, you could go a little bit heavier on your position size, hit your $1,000, or let's say hit $800 or $700. Let's just say $700, $600, whatever it is. Like $600, $700, something like that. See what I did there? And then you can just do $100 days to get it up to $1,000. And then you could take your full $1,000 payout. Now you would lose the account, but you would be able to, there's no consistency rules, and you could literally just wait for a prime setup to get to that $1,000 and then wait. So they both have their pros and cons, absolutely. I have one flex, the one that's currently $110 green profit. I showed you guys this account earlier. This one right here, this will be its second payout. Tomorrow when the market closes tomorrow, because we're already on Friday's trading day today. Like, I know it's still Thursday on the calendar, but we have started Friday's trading day right now. So I'm not going to touch this account again, and I can just wait till the market closes. And then when the market closes tomorrow night, I can request another half. I can request up to half of this $17.79. So what is that? I'm not, I have to use my calculator. $889.50. And then I get 90% of that. So I would get $800. So $900 in my bank tonight, another $800 in my bank tomorrow night. This would be payout number 2 on this account. So they both have their pros and cons. What's up, J-Dub? Esteban Pena, if you withdraw, so let's say you have built $1,000. Oh well, I guess you wouldn't lose the account. So on the flex accounts, you can only withdraw 50%. So I guess that's right. So you wouldn't technically lose the account, but you would cut your drawdown. If you had $1,000 and you requested 500, it would leave $500 in your account. It would lower your drawdown limit. The pro accounts, you can just withdraw anything over the buffer up to $1,000. No, it's not like half. I know, so last stream today for the week. Not ever, just for the week. I am liquidity. That's Kyle's right. You don't lose the account, but you're going to cut into your drawdown. And you're not going to have a lot of wiggle room left to go for a second payout. Guys, you can see my positions on the screen. If it's a blue box, it means I'm long.
Now pump that price. Give it a tick more. Oh, that feels nice.
If it's a red box,
Hold it, baby.
it means I'm short.
Let it run. P&L popping. Till the morning.
I'm long currently off of the yellow margin buffer limit. Yellow line that we have. It has acted as a very strong support and resistance multiple times throughout its history, and it continues to do so here today as well. If we drop down to MHP, I will hit this heavy. You don't lose the account, you just lose your soul. Dan. All right, who wants to hear the new song? Who wants to hear my new song? So this song is all right, this song is inspired by the trolls that show up in here probably once a night. We get someone who pops into the show, gets into chat, and they say, I've watched you 5 times and I've never seen you take a trade. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? So this song goes out to all the trolls. I'll add it to the playlist after I play it for you all. It's a funk, lo-fi hip-hop, kind of chop jazzy. I haven't really done a song like this before, this style. So I hope you like it. I hope you like it. But it is kind of a little bit of a parody too, so it's not like super serious, but here we go, the world premiere. Do you even trade, bro?
Yeah. Here he comes, Jay back again. 3 minute scout, now we typing fast. Why they watching? I don't get this. No context, just reckless. Scrolling charts like it's instant food. Wants a trade every minute or two. No rush, go slow. Let it build, let it grow. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower.
Do you even trade, bro? Now it hits, yeah, the level cracks. Clean entry, yeah, we planned that. TP prints, chatty rups. Now we quiet, saying wait, hold up. No hype, just edge. Now you see what we said. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro? You came in loud, 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 loud. We stay still. You want it, we want it, skill.
It's a vibe, right?
Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower.
Back over VWAP, baby. Let's go.
Do you even trade, bro?
I feel like I'm gonna. You know what? I feel like
Do you even trade, bro?
I'm gonna target those highs.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro?
There we go. World premiere. Do you even trade, bro? I'm a shower, not a grower. I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. I guess is what I should say. I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to add it to the playlist right now. Adding to the playlist. It is now on the playlist. You can go listen to that anytime you like. Let me pull up the playlist. Let me get the playlist back going. Hold on. Do you even trade, bro? If anyone comes in here tonight, we're going to play that song every time. We're going to play that song every time somebody says that to us. So y'all have to pay attention. Y'all need to pay attention in the chat. If I miss it, remind me. Do you even trade, bro? Do they even pay out for that? Seriously. I'm not a shower, I'm a tickler. That's right. XCC trades. I'm not a shower, I'm a tickler. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, now we're gonna hope that they stop in. We're gonna now hope that they stop in so I can play that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not my normal musical vibe. I wanted to do something that sounded different than how I normally write and produce music. So I wanted to just have it needed to stand out on its own and be kind of cool and catchy. So it's not one that I didn't spend a ton of time on it. I spent enough time on it to make it good, of course. But it's gonna be a great troll back. Sibda, you want my thoughts on your song "One Trade to Change Everything" on Discord? I'll have to go find it and listen to it. I will let you know my thoughts. Absolutely. Hey, send me a Sibda, send me a DM with it. linked so I can go find it quickly. Thoughts on electronic liquidity sweep? I have no thoughts on what that even means. We just trade high volume pivots and we trade our bias, and that's all we do. I don't worry about liquidity sweeps, or I understand the concept of where liquidity rests, where stops rest, why people have stops resting, where resting orders are. I understand all that. I'm just saying that's not how the Rocket Scooter kind of overall strategy works. From grower to shower to tickler to sniffler. Oh, that's funny. It's going to be great for the trolls. All right, dude, we'll take some more Do You Even Trade Bro songs. Hey, look, there can be more than one. If yours is better than mine, cool, dude. Let's hear it. How did the story with Lady Darb end? I didn't get the couch. No, she wasn't like pissed at me. It was really just kind of a cascading effect of stuff that had happened in like the last hour before she got to bring me dinner. And I just kind of, caught the tail end of it. It was nothing to do with me. It was just, she was just having a bad day. And it wasn't even a bad day. It was just stuff was going on and she was just kind of pissy about it, No couch. Vonnie, I just trade from high volume pivots like dynamic HP, dynamic MHP, yellow lines, DD bands. I'll also trade from the top of this. This red line right here is the top of my opening week gap. From the initial weekend when the war broke out. This was the last Friday print before the war started, where we gapped down on that first weekend. So that's also going to be a high volume pivot. ES, its gap, its new week opening gap from the war, we haven't even gotten to the bottom of it yet. So NQ is trading above its wartime opening gap the very first weekend. It's already trading above it. ES hasn't even gotten to the bottom of its wartime opening week gap yet. So another reason I'm bullish is I'm expecting ES to want to take out Thursday's high. You can see it tested it right here today and then pulled back from it. I'm still expecting it to run up, take out Thursday's high, and see if we can start reclaiming some of that gap from the opening week war news, that opening weekend war gap on ES. NQ's already gotten to it. And is trading above it and holding above it. So this is why I'm bullish for tonight's session. We have HP, we have the yellow line, we have the new week opening gap, and MHP. We have all of these kind of high volume cluster pivots below where price currently is. And so even though Trump came out and he wasn't real happy about the Strait of Hormuz, that's a classic Trump just stirring the pot and trying to put some public pressure on Iran to follow through on opening the Strait of Hormuz. It had nothing to do with war. So as soon as it dropped down and we closed back above the yellow line, that's where I jumped in. And now I'm just riding this back up to these session highs. Current session highs is where I'm targeting on this trade right here. I mean, I can look at Bitcoin. We don't trade crypto in here. There's really not a whole lot for me to give my opinion on Bitcoin. I'm not a crypto trader. Most people in here aren't trading crypto. From a daily time frame, I would anticipate I could see crypto trying to maybe take out the high there from Tuesday, March 17th, around 76,000 just on its current trajectory. We failed to make new lows. It tends to follow NQ and ES, I guess. But I don't really have a whole lot of thoughts on it. I don't look at it. I make all of my money, and I make plenty of money just trading NQ and ES, even in the Asia session. Mark Frank says, Brad, you need to trade ES again. So I have ES bro to trade with. Everyone just does NQ. I will go back and forth. I have been, NQ's kind of been my song for the last 2 or 3 weeks. But I will go back to ES at some point as well. So I like to mix and match, and just it's kind of more of an intuition feel for me on which instrument I'm gonna kind of lock in. But I use both. Blown cop car. I would be really surprised if this dropped hard tonight. I still think, I explained this at the top of the hour. I still think that we're still kind of in a ceasefire exhilaration phase. So I think we have one more push up. I think we have one more push up in and around this area right here, in and around these old highs. If you look at the daily time frame, that would put us right back down kind of at the bottom of all this choppy range that we were in since like October. I think you're going to see some selling pressure there. I think that's where, before the war started, where we were really struggling to make new highs because of the economic data. The war accelerated that action and accelerated the market kind of capitulating to the economic data, and the war being the catalyst. Now that we have a ceasefire, and we got our ceasefire news down here, now that we got that ceasefire, I still think the market this week is just in kind of an exhale and just kind of an exhilaration, like, oh, we're going to be back to being bullish. And so we're going to get I think we get one more day up into these highs. So somewhere between like 25,350 to 25,400. I think we get a kind of a top blow off the steam here. Maybe we get a weekly top wick up here around that area, and we close kind of back down around where we are right now. And then heading into next week, I think you could start see the economic data return. Plus, you're also the first few rounds of negotiation for the ceasefire and an official end to the war. Reminder, the war is not over. All they have agreed to is a 2-week ceasefire to negotiate a final end to the war. So those negotiations start this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So as the market opens Sunday night, we'll probably have some idea of how those negotiations are going. That could be some more downward catalyst. It could be some more upward catalyst. I don't know. But my gut is, my intuition says, and just kind of how the market has responded to taking out that news time high. This is the ceasefire time high. We just took it out today. I would expect one more bullish push up into this area. And then maybe the economic data returns to the picture to want to try to lower this back down. I don't think the economic data is such that it wants to, that it's going to try to be extremely bullish and push to all-time highs. GDP was revised lower. The unemployment rate, jobless claims, inflation is still super sticky. So I just don't think that there's good economic data to hold this bull run up. I just don't think the bull run from the ceasefire news has quite exhausted just yet. I think we get another short squeeze, like I said, up into this 25, somewhere up in this range. I think you get your final like kind of exhaustion for the week, a new high of the week, and then it kind of sells off into the weekend as those negotiations begin to take place. So that's kind of my overall market thesis and my kind of bias for the evening, for the rest of the night tonight. Guys, we're at 250 likes. We need to get to 300. 300 will trigger our first giveaway. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight. We've already done a couple things. We've already taken one winning trade. We're in another winning trade. We've also withdrawn live on the stream. We already withdrew $1,000 off of this funded account tonight, max payout, and it hit my bank within 40 seconds. So good job, Lucid. Way to go. This account that's $110 green is this eval, or this funded account right here. We're now 5 of 5 days for profit. And it is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days in a row green. We'll be able to lock when the market closes at the end of the day tomorrow On Friday, we'll be able to withdraw another $900 off this for its second payout as well. So that will be 4 payouts in the last 3 weeks live on the stream, which I'm super happy about, man. I think that's going really well. I think it's going really well. Do you even trade, bro? Rudy, you can see my buy entry on the screen, and you can also see it on the DOM over here. You can see I got in at 25,209. You can see it on the chart right in front of me as well, 25,209. That's my entry. It's all right there, buddy. Not hiding anything, not fooling anybody. All of my trades are right here. Thanks, Dan. Appreciate it, buddy. Got to take those gambles, right, man? You gotta risk it for the biscuit. If you want your life to change, you're gonna have to do something to make it change. Esteban Pena, play it again? Maybe. Ain't nobody gonna come to rescue you. Ain't nobody gonna come and turn your life around for you. If you want your life to change, you got to go out and change it. Spam that like button, guys. We got about 35 more likes. 35 more likes to go. And it will trigger our first giveaway of the night. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I'm just here to demonstrate the journey. I'm a student just like most of you guys. I'm in the process. I'm working my way to becoming a full-time day trader. Grateful that Matt gave me an opportunity here to just kind of chronicle all of that in front of you. Uman Mushad says, how do you share your screen and your camera at the same time? It's just streaming software. I use OBS, the OBS streaming software, and it just manages everything. Lucas, yeah. See, these songs write themselves in the stream. That's right, Vonnie. Time passes anyway, might as well make it count for something. The first giveaway, if we get to 300 likes, the first giveaway will be a funded next 25K rapid account. Don't start crying again. I didn't cry. I just got a little emotional. I wouldn't say I was crying. Kimberly says, if you become a full-time day trader, would you still do ministry? If so, how? Kimberly, I don't think ministry is relegated to just being a vocational minister. I think there's all kinds of ways to do ministry. In a lot of ways, I think what I'm doing right here is ministry. I'm here to help. I think ministry is helping people, loving people, serving people to the best that I can. And so even if I wasn't a vocational, even if I was no longer getting a paycheck, I would still consider myself in that. That's who I am. It's how I'm wired. I want to help people. I want to coach people. I want to counsel people. I want to encourage people. I want to motivate people and help them get from where they are to where they want to be. And I don't need a paycheck from a church to validate that. The time frame I watch on is the 5 minute, but I don't trade time frames. I'm not here to trade like a specific candle pattern, or we don't trade. Like, I could watch it on the 15 minute. Like, it doesn't matter to me. It's just how much information do you want to have How many candles do you want to see printing on the chart while you're trading? I just trade levels. I trade high volume levels. That's it. That's all I trade. Woodrunner, thanks for coming into the channel tonight, man. Glad you found it. Welcome to the Rocket Scooter family, man. Smash that like button. Hey, guys, we're over 300 likes. Well done. Well done. 300 likes. That triggers our first giveaway of the night. Our first giveaway of the night is a Funded Next 25K rapid account. And the keyword, I already know the keyword for this first one. The keyword for this first one, because we just did it live here on the channel, in front of everyone's face, payout. We took a $1,000 max payout, baby. Let's go. Live on the stream, rewind it, you can see it. We took a $1,000 max payout live on the stream. Type payout. I'm going to give you about 2 minutes. You do not have to spam it. All right. You don't have to spam it. You only have to type it one time. Your name, the bot is seeing your name. The bot is picking you up. If you are typing payout right now, the bot is picking you up. You don't have to spam it. All right. 16 to 20 times is sufficient. Good vibes in the chat tonight, guys. Good vibes in the chat tonight. Let's see, where are we at? We're an hour in. Dang, let's go. We're an hour in and we already got 2,400 viewers. Yep, this is for a 25K Funded Next account. Funded Next Rapid. 25K Funded Next Rapid account. You need a break, hook you up with an account? Well, just type in the word payout and maybe you'll get lucky. The Wheel of Names. I'm gonna give you 1 more minute, guys. If you're just joining the stream right now, first of all, welcome to the night shift. I'm your host. I'm Brad. My name is Brad, or Sir Darb, whatever you want to call me. We're giving away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Funded Next 25K Rapid account. You got 50 seconds to type the word payout into the chat. The bot will pick you up. The bot will pick you up, and then we're going to pull up the Wheel of Names here. We'll pull up the Wheel of Names. This is from last night. We'll get rid of all that. All right, you got 20 seconds. I need to do some more like Latino flavored vibes, man. I need to work on some Latino flavored. All right. And done. All right, it's over. It's over. Stop typing. It's over. It's over. No more typing. No more typing. It's over. We got 335 entries. Your name is on the list or you were too slow. And there's nothing I can do about that. All right, here we go. We are going to spin the wheel for a funded next 25K rapid account. All right, 335 entries. Well done, guys. We're going to spin the wheel. This is a 1 day to pass, 3 days. If you pass it, you go to funded, and it's 40% consistency, no buffer. These are great accounts. I took out over $10,000 in the fall when these accounts first came out, when they were uncapped payouts, no profit split, when Funded Next was kind of just trying to get as many people to trade with them. I used the 25K rapid accounts to pull out 10 G's in like September, October, November. So these are great accounts, all right? We're going to shuffle it up so you don't think there's any funny business. We're shuffling all the names up. And we're going to click spin. Good luck. The winner of the Funded Next 25K rapid account is Dana D. Dana D, congratulations. Type something in chat to claim your prize. Dana D. Rigged. Woohoo! I see you, Dana. Dana, pay attention. Here's how you're going to claim your prize. Dana, you're going to go into the description of this video and you are going to find a link to the Rocket Scooter Discord. You're going to go into that Discord to the contest channel and you're going to send a message to our admin named Slacks. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. He'll make sure that it matches what I just took a screenshot of your name. And you're probably going to need to have an email set up with Funded Next. But go ahead in there. You have about an hour to get in there and claim your prize. So drop on in there, hit Slacks up, and he'll verify, make sure everything's good to go. No funny business. And congratulations. Thank you so much for being here, Dana. Thanks for all of you guys for being here and supporting the channel, smashing that like button. The next stop on the like train is 400. We're just 40 likes away from 400. We will give away. That's we have a like streak going, a 400 minimum like streak, which is kind of low now that our numbers are growing. We may need to change that, but we're gonna go with it for now. 400 likes. I will give away 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps for 400 likes. 4 boot camps for 400 likes. That's the next stop on the like train. So smash that like button, guys. Welcome in. We're in a trade, and it's just kind of messing with us right now. It's just being stubborn. Typical Asia stubborn. We've had 2 days in a row. We've had 2 shows in a row, I should say. 2 shows in a row. What's up, Skeletor? 2 shows in a row of over 700 likes. And we have now officially That's hilarious. Thank you, Kyle. I am Liquidity. Dropping the the membership month in there, leaving a message. We have now passed 30,000 views on this show for the second week in a row. That's insane to me. 2 weeks in a row, this show has crossed 30,000 total views in a week. So the communities, the family's showing up, the room's showing up. You guys are showing up. You guys are supporting it. Word's getting out. The algorithm is kind of pushing us out there, which is great. We're on our way to being the #1 most watched live futures day trading Asia session stream. I think most of just kind of the one-off streamers in this time slot, I think we're beating them. I think the only people ahead of us right now, I may be wrong. I need to do some more research. Some of you guys out there that are watching other streamers right now can tell me who's ahead of us. Besides Top Step with Dakota, I think we're right there. Like, I think that's our next stop, is taking down Top Step. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get there. Trey, you're my algorithm bratty zaddy. Love you, boo. Lord Kick, what kind of beer are you drinking? I like some good beer. What kind of beer are you drinking? If Ronan, I can't really tell you where to get in and get out. Like, that's not, we can't give you like trading advice or where to take a trade. I can just tell you, like, the high volume pivot, the yellow line high volume pivot has held consistently all night long. Dynamic HP would be another opportunity if it can hold above there. The red line down here and the dynamic MHP, all of these are good high volume pivots to the downside to support price going higher. And I would be looking to add at the red line and MHP. I would look, if we did get a quick drop down there, I would look to add at both of those levels. But as far as how you want to add and where you want to get in, or if you want to participate in a trade, I always tell everybody, please do not copy trade me. Please do not copy trade me. You're going to get burned. You're going to get hurt. You're going to blow up an account, and then you're going to get pissed at me. I'm not here to tell you how to push buttons. Like, I've had a pretty good run over the last 4 weeks on the Asia session, with accuracy and locking in profits. But even just the other night, I blew up an account, and I know people got in the chat and they're like, "Oh my God, I just blew an account copy trading you." And I was like, "Well, I just blew up an account too, and I told you not to copy trade me." Like, you've got to learn the reason that we do these shows is to demonstrate and teach the educational side of trading psychology, patience, trade management, position sizing, and how the rocket scooter tools play into helping you become a better trader and finding edge quicker. So this is really just a stream for students and those who just love to stream. Trading is a lonely game, number one. So having a community of traders that you can vibe with, hang out with, kind of maybe even hold you accountable, challenge you, push you, encourage you, motivate you, all of those things. That's really kind of what I want this show to be about. I'm going to take trades that I feel like fit, that have edge for me. And some are going to win, some are going to lose. So yeah, all of the accounts that I'm trading are Lucid accounts. I'm not trading with any other prop firms right now, just Lucid. So every account, eval, funded, blown, whatever it is, it's all through Lucid. And listen to cool music. That's right, Trading for Progress. And listen to some really good freaking music. YOLO trades. That's the advice. Just YOLO. Full port. That's the answer every time. Full port. Trey says, bro, do not leave ever again. When did I leave? Are you talking about when BJ filled in? I thought BJ did great, man. I appreciated him being the substitute teacher. Andrew Walker says, first timer. Hey, man, welcome in. Glad you found the channel. Welcome to the Rocket Scooter family, bud. Hit that like button. If you didn't know, there are 3 shows that happen on this channel every single day. 3 shows happen on this channel every single day. Of course, I'm here. My name is Brad. I host the night shift. We come on at 7 Eastern, and we go for 3 or 4 hours. It just kind of depends on, how many people are hanging out, and if the vibes are still up, I'll hang out. I don't have any really time restraints here in the night shift to, other than just my own physical tiredness to keep me from staying on. So usually it's 3 or 4 hours. But then the founder of this channel, Matt, streams in the morning. He streams the New York session. He's currently doing a $100K to $1 million challenge of his live cash brokerage account. He's already locked in over $600,000 in profits. And I think the account is sitting somewhere around, his actual liquidity on the account is sitting around 200. So he's sitting around 650 or 700,000 total right now. He's getting close. I told him he's got until 420 to get there. I think he needs to hit $1 million on 420. So he's got only about a week and a half left to make that magic happen. He had one day where he made 420 in one day, $69,420. That was quite a show. If you missed it, you can go find it on his lives, but it was fantastic. So Matt streams in the morning. He also hosts the lunch hour on the My Funded Futures TV show on YouTube. And then our friend Neon streams in the afternoon from 1:30 to market close. So all 3 shows are fantastic. Matt and Neon are full-time day traders. That's how they provide for themselves. Of course, Matt has more than just the trading that he is involved in. He's involved in so many things, but trading obviously is a huge source of income for him as well. I am not a full-time day trader. I'm a student of the game. I found Rocket Scooter. Guys, we need one more like to get to 400 and give 4 boot camps away. I found Rocket Scooter 1 year ago this month. I stumbled onto it in my YouTube algorithm. Started watching Matt trade. I had been day trading futures for about just about a year and a half up to that point. It was basically break even. Not really losing money, not really making money. I was only trading prop firms. The money that I was paying in, I would occasionally get payouts to make up the money that I was paying in, but not really getting ahead. I started watching Matt trade in April, and I just watched him day after day after day trade these high volume pivots that Rocket Scooter printed on the charts before the session began. And it was really amazing, the reliability and the edge with which they provided him day after day after day. And I would watch, I kept watching to be like, this has got to be some kind of scammy. This ain't real. There's no way it can be this reliable. It can't be this accurate. This just doesn't seem right. And I kept watching and watching and watching. And then after about 2 months, I decided to buy the boot camp. It's a $20 boot camp. It's a 20-day education of not just like general trading. So everything from trading psychology, position sizing, trade management, understanding of volatility and VIX, market avoidance techniques, when to trade, when to sit out, how to know the difference. And then a deep dive into the Rocket Scooter platform itself, which teaches you how to trade weekly hedge pressure, monthly hedge pressure. It teaches you about DD bands and risk intervals, yellow line margin buffer limits. It teaches you about the resilience indicators that we use to determine the strength of the market. It teaches you about liquidity pockets It teaches you about liquidity maps that tell you at the beginning of the day what the market is likely to do, and based on where with the open price is, based on where your pivots are, here's the trades that you should consider taking. Here's the position sizing that you should consider looking at. And it's all lined out for you at the beginning of the session. And the boot camp walks you through step by step, day by day for 20 days. It's $1 a day. It's super cheap. At the end of it, I was asking myself, how is this guy not charging 100 times that amount? Because it's completely worth it. And if you go read the reviews of the boot camp itself, you'll also see that's many other people's opinions as well. That the boot camp is an absolutely fantastic, probably the best trading education that exists, in my opinion. When people are out there charging you $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for a course that teaches you how to draw trend lines, that teaches you how to put a stochastic indicator on, that teaches you what a moving crossover is on an EMA. And Matt's sitting here charging $20 to get world-class trading education. It's what took me from being break even to having, this last year was the most profitable run of trading that I have ever experienced. And I'm not a full-time day trader yet, but I'm getting close to where that's very much a reality that could happen this year for me. And I attribute it to finding Matt's channel, this channel. I attribute it to taking the boot camp, applying myself, watching it multiple times, and then sitting down the charts and actually applying what it teaches. That's really the difference that it made for me. And this is coming from a student perspective, okay? Because that's who I am. I'm still one of you guys. I'm still the avatar of the average guy in chat right now. That's still me. I have enough credibility to be able to stream. And here I am a year later on Matt's stream. He hired me to be one of his streamers, which is mind-boggling and just like crazy to think about in and of itself, that he would give me a shot to do that. A lot of my like real life skills in music production, audio engineering. I'm on stage every week in front of thousands of people. I'm very comfortable as a public speaker. It doesn't bother me. I know how to hold a room and command authority in those kind of situations. And so you take that and you couple it with, I'm a student trader and I'm willing to be transparent in front of over 30,000 people a week that watch this show, to be like, hey, this is how I do it, and I'm going to make mistakes, and you're going to get to see that. And I'm going to make some good trades, and you're going to get to see that. And I'm going to get payouts, and you're going to get to see that. And hopefully one day I'll get to come in here and tell you that I gave my 2 weeks notice. Maybe one day that'll happen here soon too. So, but we're going to give away 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps right now. Now let me be very clear about this. These boot camps that we're giving away, they are reserved for people who have never won a boot camp before. If you have won a boot camp before, do not enter the drawing. If you enter the drawing and you win, and then you claim that prize, if you claim that prize and I find out you've already won a boot camp, I'm going to ban you from all night shift giveaways in the future. Don't do it. This is for people who have never won a Rocket Scooter bootcamp before, okay? So if that's you and you would like to be in the running to win one of these 4 boot camps, 20-day trading educations, go ahead and type boot camp into the chat right now. I'm going to spin the wheel and we're going to give away 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps to 4 lucky winners in the chat right now tonight. My 4 little micros are doing some work. Dragged us back out of drawdown here into a little bit of profit. I'm going to hang on to this. Boob camp. I see you, mama. Boob camp, where do I sign up? Booty camp. Boob camp, booty camp. It ain't that kind of camp. Trunks, you can see my P&L above my head. Right here. I'm up $110 on this funded account. And this funded account right here, I'm up $100. That's the $110 you see. And it has locked in its 5th and final day of profit. So tomorrow, when the market closes tomorrow afternoon, this funded account, I'll be able to withdraw half of my profits off of that tomorrow night. Another $800 in my bank. And then I'm currently up in this eval. I fired up a new eval tonight. Was down early, about $180, and now we've this trade I'm in right now is clawed it back, and I've got my sell limit up here at the session highs. Teach like a date, DJ. BJ, I'll help with the booty camp. BJ's in here. What's up, buddy? I'll help with the booty camp. BJ wants to be a sub teacher at the booty camp. That's hilarious. We just tested the Asia Open right there, getting a little bit of resistance off of that. Booby camp. BJ is the official substitute teacher for both the booty camp and the booby camp. All right, let me grab all of the users. Let's see, we got 60 of them. All right, guys, you can stop typing. Stop typing. Boot camp is over. No more entries. No more entries on the booby camp. We had 60 entries, and Rocket Scooter was one of them. Where is it? I like to take it out of here if I can find it. I'm not sure. I don't know where it went. All right, I'm going to spin the wheel. If you win, this is for people who have never won a boot camp before. Okay, this is for people who've never won a boot camp before. I'm going to spin the wheel. If you win, type something in chat to let me know you're here, and then just hang out and I'll tell you how to claim your prize. All right, we're going to shuffle it up. Shuffling it up. The winner of boot camp number 1. You can stop typing boot camp. No more entries. Marco Musso, congratulations, you're winner number 1 of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Type something in chat to claim your prize, my friend. Go ahead and type something in chat to claim your prize. Marco Musso. Marco Polo. There he is. Congratulations, Marco. You're winner number 1. We're going to take you out. We're going to shuffle it up. Winner number 2 of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight. Koma Kovji. Koma Kovji. Chomakok. I don't know how to say that. Koma Kovji. I'm going to go with that. Koma Kovji. Type something in chat. There's winner number 2. I see you. Congratulations. Hang out for a minute. Hang out for just another minute. Spinning the wheel for winner number 3. Winner number 3 of Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. Cheek Squeeze. Cheek Squeeze. Congratulations, you're winner number 3. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Cheek Squeeze. That's a great name. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Cheek Squeeze. There you are. I see you. Winner number 3. Congratulations. And hey, look at there, baby. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade? Do you even trade, bro? All right. Here we go. Winner number 4. Winner number 4. Winner number 4, Irwin Online. Irwin Online, congratulations. You're the winner number 4. Type something in chat. BJ says, Cheek Squeeze gets a free access to the booty camp. BJ, Cheek Squeeze gets free access to the booty camp. Irwin Online, did you type something? Irwin Online, there you are. I see you. I see you. I see you. All right, congratulations. All right, listen, you four have just won yourselves a free 1-month subscription to the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. It's a 20-day trading education journey. You have 2 options. All right. Option number 1 is you're going to wait for the live bootcamp that's going to happen in May. Matt will teach it at the end of the market close every single day. So you can wait for Matt to teach it live in May, one class a day for 20 days in May. Or the last bootcamp that we did in January, we have all of those videos recorded. It's the exact same material. You just won't get to have like live Q&A with Matt. But you can go in and you can start watching all those videos right now. And you don't have to do them one a day. We recommend one a day just to kind of give your brain time to process. But you could watch at your own pace. You can go through the course at your own pace. The way you're going to claim your prize is you're going to go into the Discord. You can find the link to the Discord in the description of this video below. You're going to go to the contest channel in the Discord, and you're going to message our admin named Slacks. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID so that he can verify the screenshots of your YouTube IDs that were here on the show that I sent him. And once he knows that there's no funny business going on, he'll tell you how to claim your prize. All right. So congratulations, you 4. Thanks for being here and hanging out. If you did not win, hang out. Don't go anywhere. There may be some more bootcamp giveaways. You never know. With this generous Rocket Scooter community, you may get another dono may pop in. Or you can go buy it for $20. It's super cheap. It's $20 and it's worth, like I said, 100 times that. So those are your 2 options. But we're not done with our giveaways tonight, guys. We're not done. Next stop on the like train is 600. Next stop on the like train is 600 likes. And if we get to 600 likes tonight, we have an instant funded 50K Tradeify Lightning account to give away. 50K Tradeify Lightning direct to funded, no eval. An over $300 account to give away to you tonight. We need to get to 600 likes. We're at 450. We got 150 more to go. There's 655 people currently in the room. So smash that like button, guys. Let's get those likes up, and we'll give you a direct to funded account tonight. We're not even halfway through the show yet, guys. We're not even halfway through the show yet. If we get to 750 likes, I might have something special for you again. Maybe. We'll see when we get there. All right. How we doing, guys? You know what it's time for. You know what time it is. It is time to reach on down. It's time to reach down. It's time to wiggle around in there and whip it out. Don't be shy. We're all friends here. Show me that P&L. Let's go, baby. We got green on the board again tonight. Whip it out. Let me see it. What you got? What you got, chat? 466, 12,000. Let's go. 301, 257. Nice curve. 4,400, 22, 170, 645, 185, 733. Let's go, chat. GG's, baby. 1,300, 1 billion. 1,600, 300, 440, 178. Nice, guys. Nice. Good job, chat. 13,000. Let's go. 17, 10K. 801. Another 1,900. Woo! Rocket Scooter fam kicking some ass. Let's go. 432, 6861. Oh, you want ES to get over to you? I thought that was your profit. 2.2, 200, 400, 300, 2875, 300. 0, you missed it. It's all right. Hey, no trade is a good trade. 10,000, man. Let's go. Is that your P&L in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me, guys? Come on. Whip it out. Let's see it. Nice curve. 467, 239, 645, 400. Well done, Chad. Well done. $130 past your TF, your futures desk eval. Nice, Sipta. Well, way to go, buddy. Marco Musso, you're going to go into the Discord, go to the contest channel, send a message to our admin named Slacks, send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and he'll tell you how to claim your prize, okay? Rocking Peaks, you got 34,000 on prop account, woke up at 6 a.m., was irritated, so bought and went back to sleep, woke up at 11:30, and you were shocked. Yep. Nice curve. Nice curve, guys. Oh, yeah. Good to see everybody green tonight. We're not done. We may get another dip down to buy, baby. We may get another dip down to buy. Past your 50K eval, nice. Do we even trade, bro? Here. I think after a win, it's only fair that we play. After a win like that, it's only fair to play. Do you even trade, bro?
Yeah. Here he comes, Jay, back again. 3 minute scout, now we typing fast. Why they watching? I don't get this. No context, just reckless. Scrolling charts like it's instant food.
Yeah, I'll play yours next, Kyle.
No rush, go slow, let it build, let it grow. Do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro? I'm not a shower, I'm a grower.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower, baby.
Do you even trade, bro? Now we're hits, yeah, the level cracks. Clean entry, yeah, we planned that. TP prints, chatty rups. Now we quiet, saying wait, hold up. No hype, just edge. Now you see what we said.
I need to get some glow sticks for my house music. We'll play some house music here in just a second. We're gonna listen to Kyle's "Do You Even Trade." He got a Kyle wrote a "Do You Even Trade, Bro" song too.
Do you even trade, bro?
I'm in Texas, down in Houston.
You came in loud, we stay still. You want it,
Bank Robber Trading says, outside of the Max Options lives, this is by far the best live trading, especially during Asia. Thanks, buddy. When does Max Options go live? Does he do an Asia live? Or does he stream in like New York? Is that Big Daddy Max you're talking about? I have a stop loss, I just don't put it on the screen. This song is in my Suno playlist.
do you even trade, bro? Do you even trade, bro?
There's my Suno playlist, I just dumped it in the chat for you.
I'm not a shower, I'm a grower. Do you even trade, bro?
Wainwright on every day during the so there's 3 shows on this channel, Wainwright. I'm here every night, Sunday night through Thursday night when the market's open. I come on about 7 Eastern and we go for 3 or 4 hours. The founder of this channel, Matt, and the inventor of Rocket Scooter, he trades in the New York session every single morning. He comes on about 30-45 minutes before the bell rings. And then he trades all morning, and then he hosts the lunch hour on the My Funded Futures YouTube channel. And then our friend Neon streams in the afternoon on this show as well. So all afternoon to market close. So 3 shows, 3 great traders. All right, I'm going to go find Kyle's song. This is Kyle's "Do You Even Trade, Bro?" From I Am Liquidity.
First, why screen black, bro? Scam? Hello? Turn it on, bro. Bro. Yo, why you red if market green? Why you green if market red? I got $10 in my account. Teach me how to feed my fam. Can I flip rent by Friday? Turn my latte to a Lambo. Just tell me what to buy now. Tap and hodl like a mantra. Face cam crooked, mic too loud. White chart line, so many clouds. Why that candle look like that? Is this bullish or is cat? Why it dump when I just bought? You did that to me, admit that.
Do you even trade, bro?
Do you even trade? Why you close that winner? I would let it ride for days. Drop a free call, daddy, I'll repay you. With a like, yo, I followed you on TikTok. You should make me rich for life.
Do you even trade, bro?
Answer me on stream. I wrote the same thing 40 times. Why you keep ignoring me? Wait, is this demo or your real life? If it's real, show your tags right. Show your wallet, show your wife. What's a favorite risk the price? Why you not all in on this? If you trust it, push the chips. If you scared, just say you scared. I would never trail my wins. Should I buy before the news or after news or during news? Should I short my student loans?
Dude, this is really good.
Why you reading boring books? I just bought a course in one reel. Teach it free, I'll host the notes, drop the PDF for the field.
Do you even trade, bro?
Do you even trade? Why you move your stop like that? I would never touch that place. Make a challenge with my money, flip my 50 to a mil. I'll provide the moral support.
Sounds like Big Sean.
Do you even trade, bro?
Why still in the zone? Price went down like half a tick. I'm already.
You pooped in your friend's bathroom and you went to text him and you saw you were blocked.
Giveaway when.
I need that bag.
Oh.
I share this to my
DS Trade says, hey, do you DCA like Matt? Also, do you risk the same amount every trade or as a whole? On the evals, I risk. I'm willing to blow up an eval in 1 to 2 trades. I don't want to spend a lot of time in my evals. I want to get to funded, and then once I'm in funded, I will lower that risk significantly. I will DCA at proper levels, yes. Morning, Brad Pitt.
Do you even trade, bro?
Do you even trade?
I love it. Hello from Singapore. Trade with Sonic. What's up, buddy? Welcome in, man. Kyle, this is a great song, man.
Do you even trade, bro?
Why you in the stream? Market open 24. Stay live till I'm a king. Yeah. Last question, last one first. If I YOLO my whole check on that tiny red green bar, will I retire by next week?
He ended stream.
Else streamer 1 star.
Nice. Nice. I like it, buddy. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, I'm gonna play some house music. You guys go with some house jams right now? Mama Farina, Lucas. Here on the night shift, the edge never sleeps. Forgot, I didn't even have my good lights on. Got them on now. I do need a disco ball. Lucas.
Just the plan. The edge is there. If you wait for it. Edge never sleeps.
It's a good tune, baby. There's no entry here for me. I would need to see a dip. I would want to see a dip back down before we go back up. I don't want to just jump in and chase this long. I do think yesterday's high is our next stop. And then if you'll remember from earlier in the show, guys, I said somewhere in this general area is where I would think we kind of get our blow-off exhaustion from the ceasefire news, and then maybe we get a little bit of an upper wick on this closing candle for Friday and end back down around Thursday's high. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here is we just kind of do one of these numbers. New York kicks up, squeeze out shorts, and then we sell off into the afternoon and end up somewhere back down around here. That's kind of what I'm thinking for Asia, London, New York, close the day. If you're still in this, you know, you got diamond hands and you were holding from the low, good job for you. I was very happy with that trade was $180 underwater. So this was a $340 trade, winning trade right there. It's 158 P&L because it wiped out the $180 that we were in drawdown, and then it added another 158 on top of that. So $340 trade on that winner tonight, quite a banger. Never going back. All right, we'll play it after Prop Cops. Guys, we need to get to 600 likes to trigger the next giveaway. 600 likes for the next giveaway. Smash that like button. Let's get it going. There we go. We just popped up, took out Thursday's high. Nice to see. ES is lagging behind here. NQ just took out its previous day high. ES still has about 14 more points to go to take out its previous day high. So I would imagine NQ is going to probably keep melting up here a little bit. Nice to see my analysis and bias playing out from the beginning of the show. Exactly as planned. And we executed that plan to perfection tonight. Do you even trade, bro? Here we go. New hour kicking in. New hour kicking in. Maybe we retest Wednesday's high here and then go up. Or the Asia Open, maybe. Andrew Walker says, I came in and made money with you. Well, I'm grateful that you were able to make some money. I do highly recommend people not to copy trade me. I'm gonna for Farina, Never Going Back. Farina's new favorite song. Lady Darb just got out of class. Hold on. Guys, we got about 2 more hours. We got about 2 more hours. Are y'all locked in? Ready to go? Are y'all locked in? Ready to go? Only 520 likes. Only 520 likes. I cannot get my boom to. I need to get my boom to stay up higher.
Orders collide like thunder and rain, and the spreads start tightening their chain. MHP pulling like
Sorry, accidentally muted it as well.
pressure's full. Patience sharp like a hunter's aim. One clean move can rewrite the game when the structure starts to break. That's the moment fortune's way. I'm never going back to the badge and the time card rack. No more living
I look high. No, I'm not high. I'm high on life, baby. I'm high on P&L. I'm high on payouts. That's what I'm high on. High on P&L. You got to be real careful how you say that. You got to be real careful. You have to bring your entire setup to that office every night. What do you mean? No, it's I rent this office, so everything stays set up in here. What do you mean? I just the boom arm that I have on this mic, the top hinge, I tighten it down, but over time it just kind of keeps getting lower and lower and lower. So. High on tickling wicks, baby. Target has been reached. My target was the Thursday high, and we just tapped it. So from here, I don't know where it goes from here. I tend to be more bullish than anything. So I tend to think that we're going to continue to kind of melt up here in the Asia session. If we get any pullbacks, I would be looking to buy them. But it's going to have to drop pretty low for me to have any interest. All right, somebody else requested a tune. Somebody else, I saw another request in there. Where was it? Oh, it wasn't overnight. Oh, yeah. This song, it's called It Wasn't Overnight. And it is, for the longest time, it was my most favorite song that I have ever written and produced with AI music. It's a semi-autobiographical story of my trading journey, working side hustles, working overtime, trying to scrape enough money to get it together and buy evals and get out of the 9-to-5 rat race. Not everything in this song is 100% a true story, but probably 80% of it is a true story. So hope you enjoy it. It's called It Wasn't Overnight. Lay's has chips in a tube?
That shit a green on the screen. The payouts, the wins.
I gotta listen to this.
DMs blowing up. Teach me king, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight. The truth. 9 years in the trenches in the fire. Let's rewind. When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token. 2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind. Drop 10K straight from the overtime. Evening Uber driving, weekends gigging just to stay alive. Ramen for dinner, Red Bull for dessert. 2 steps forward, 3 back, felt the universe flirt with my collapse. Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross. Kids asking that was dinner, I'm nodding yes. But I'm still on the clock, still deep in the mess. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Late 24, doom scrolling on lunch in the break room. Stumbled on rocket scooter, mess spitting tactics. YouTube live, no fluff, just raw edge and truth. Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise, unlocked the key. Sign up that night, dove into the vault. Everything I missed at 41, now they whisper my fault. Still punching 5 days, but now the chart's so big. We can hustle cash, turn seed money. Finally seeing no way. It wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Overnight, yeah right, tried 3,000 sunsets, bled dry, clocking out for good, trying to trade full time alive. The crowd claps for the glow up, how'd you make it so quick? I smiled through the grill, son, this took every brick. Started at 41, 5-day punch nights and weekends fight. Now I'm 50 and free to trade my life. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Memory lane, it's a bridge, not a grave. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter mad, you a real one. It wasn't overnight, from the dark to the dream. It wasn't overnight. Yeah, we making it. Ain't going back. Never going back. Never going back.
Ooh, man, I still love that song. Still one of my favorites. I'm Still Here is probably now my top favorite right now. But that one still, man, it has so much. It just reminds me so much of where I've been in my trading journey, and the grind, the not giving up, the sticking to it. And people get on the show right here and they're watching me stream in front of, 7,000-8,000 people a night, over 4 hours, 30,000 people a week. And they're watching me take payouts and they're watching me call out good trades and making money. And it was not overnight, baby. Man, it has been a long journey. And I'm not even like close to being like done, like I still feel like I'm at the beginning of my journey in a lot of ways. So hope y'all like that song. You can find that song in the Suno playlist as well. All the music that I have made is on that playlist that we're listening to tonight. You're not late for the Tradeify giveaway. We still need 58 more likes, guys. We got to get to 600 likes to do the Tradeify giveaway. 600 likes to do the Tradeify giveaway. We're inching our way up slowly but surely. Smash that like button, guys. It's the one thing that you can do that costs you nothing and helps the stream out tremendously. The more likes we get, the better giveaways we're able to negotiate and give to you guys for free. Oiny Flashy says, do you trade the New York session? I do trade the New York session, but Matt this is his YouTube channel, Day Trading with Matt. He streams the New York session on this channel. So I would say probably 75% of my trading is done in the New York session, and about 25% of my trading typically is done in the Asia session. Now, the other night when we got that ceasefire news, we made $2,500 live on the stream that night. That was a great night. But typically, $300 to $400 across one or two accounts is pretty typical for my Asia session. And then most of my trading happens in the New York session. Love from India. Beautiful lyrics. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, buddy. Tevlogs. This. I don't have a YouTube channel. I'm one of the streamers on this specific channel, Day Trading with Matt. I just host the night shift show. So Matt hired Neon and I back in January, and we started streaming in February. He and I both. Neon streams in the afternoon, and then I stream here Sunday night through Thursday night for 3 or 4 hours every single night. And then Matt streams the New York session. He's been talking about wanting to expand and add in 2 more streamers. One that would come on right after me for like the India session. And then another one that would come on after that for like the Euro London session. And basically have a show going for traders 24 hours a day when the market's open. Maybe sometime this year we'll get over there and see if that happens. So right now I'm just trying to chase down Matt as the most watched show on his own channel. He got a bullseye on his back and I'm coming for it. I'm coming for it, baby. Don't Fade Me. This is one of my favorite songs. I think this song turned out really well. It's called Don't Fade Me. It's like a yacht rock, synth wave kind of vibe, like 80s. Trade with Sonic says excited about the Euro London session. Yeah, dude. 100%. It's going to be great. No, Drup TV, Matt is going to start the live boot camp in May. So we're really working hard behind the scenes to get the new prop scoring website kind of built out, get all the bugs out of it so that we can launch it. So pretty much all of Matt's external energy when he's not streaming is being put into the prop score website. So as soon as that gets launched out to the public, towards the end of April and the beginning of May, he'll do a live boot camp right after that. Love from Pakistan. Welcome, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. It always amazes me how far the show reaches around the world and how many people show up from all walks of life and all corners of the globe. Love from Iran. Nice. Love from Egypt. Let's go. I like how your stream is clean. Clean like how? Like, what do you mean clean? Like my charts are clean or I'm clean? Can you explain the yellow line? Somebody said something. Hold on. Can you explain the yellow lines and how they're calculated? So I am not a yellow line expert. I will tell you that they're based on margin buffer limits. And they're based on previous moves, high catalytic moves. Again, I am not. There's a whole boot camp video on how to calculate the yellow lines and the red lines and the catalyst lines. I am not 100%. This is the student part of me being a streamer. I'm not 100% certain how, how you get to that pivot, but I do know that they are extremely accurate. They're extremely sensitive, and they work. They get put on the chart typically weeks, if not months, in advance of price ever getting to them. And then once they get there, they act as support and resistance. So, but they're based on margin buffer limits. So I know it's not a super clean answer, but if you have access to the boot camp, there is an entire lecture on yellow lines, red lines. If I didn't trade Lucid account, what would my next pick be? Love from Brazil. Fantastic. Welcome in Brazil. Love from Norway. Welcome in Norway. Watching from Colombia. That's awesome. Little Latino. I got some Latino music for you. I'll pull it up in a minute. You only get electricity for 1 hour in Iran. I didn't even think the internet was working in Iran right now. I thought they shut it off. Albania's here. London. Toronto. Portugal. Egypt. Man, we're all over the world tonight. You're clean. You're not cussing like a sailor means clean to me. Yeah, I'm not, like, I try to keep it PG as much as I can. Most men traders are annoying. You are an exception, says Jessica. Thanks, Jessica. Nice to know that I'm an exception to the rule. Kazakhstan, Panama. Man. Doodah says, Brad is the only streamer I care to watch. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that, man. That means a lot to me. Farina. Love from Venus. That's hilarious. Morocco, England. Seoul. Nice. Atlanta. Uranus. Oh, that's hilarious. Mr. Hoochie says, it's my first time doing futures and I learn a lot from your trades. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Vivi, you're in Dallas. Nice. The outlook for NQ is up. It's bullish for me. So for me, my original target was the previous day high, which we just took out. I think we're still going to get a bullish push into New York. Up into some of these. This is a 4-hour chart, but up into some of these levels here and below DD band. I think we hold DD band. I think we get a pop up into that area and we blow off kind of the last little bit of the ceasefire news. We put in an upper wick on the weekly candle and we close back down around where we are right now. And then going into next week, I would probably lean more bearish as economic data kind of takes back over the market driving and the headlines kind of take a back seat a little bit. We're still so fresh with the ceasefire and it's still kind of tenuous on how clean it's actually going to work. I think over the next week and a half, you're still going to get some headlines that come out from the ceasefire negotiations where people are going to kind of like use PR to kind of try to put pressure on the other side. It's going well. It's not going well. They're giving us everything we want. They're not giving us everything we want. We're going to start bombing them again if they don't give us what we want. So you're going to see headlines like that pop up over the next week and a half, 2 weeks, while the ceasefire negotiations continue to take place. But until then, I think for the rest of this week, at least for the rest of today, we get just one more kind of like the market just kind of exhaling a little bit, and we kind of get up into like the 25,350 to 25,400 level. And that's where I think we top out for the week, and then we just kind of sell off through the rest of the late morning, early afternoon session for New York. I would be very surprised if this thing shoots past over DD band and closes up near the high. I would be very, very surprised if that happened tomorrow. I think we do just kind of melt up slowly and then we start just selling off through the afternoon. Paris, Texas, nice. I've been up there a few times. Portugal, Jakarta, Raleigh, Washington, Boston, Baldonesia. Dang, man, Hawaii? Holy crap. Japan, Morocco again. Everybody's just dropping in where they're from. I think it's cool. I love it. I love to see it. No, Matt closed out his trade. He was down 60K on the day. He dropped in the chat earlier tonight, letting us know that he's going to go buy the Ferrari for IDOC tomorrow, and that he ended up down 60K on the cash account. But I told him it was basically a break even because he pulled out 60K this week from TPT, his TPT account that he kept trading, YOLOing every day. So it's really a wash. 60K cash pulled out from TPT, and he took a one-day 60K hit on his cash account today. We got a Philly, Hawaii, Minnesota, Oklahoma, Greece, Canada, Iowa, Cuba, Chicago, Dallas, Orlando, Rikers Island. Oh my God, are you in jail? Dominican Republic, Maine, Florida, Maryland, north of Dallas, Scotland, Inverness. Anybody from Ireland? If there's anybody from Ireland, I want to talk to you. I would love to be Irish. Oh, I wish I could speak like an Irishman. Brazil, Miami, Eastern PA. Nice. North Korea. That's not true, Gabe. San Francisco. Grand Cayman Islands, Western Australia. Nigeria, Vietnam, Florida, Charlotte. I lived in Charlotte. Brandon Martinez. I lived down in Weddington. Matthews. We lived in Monroe. We lived in Waxhaw for a little bit. I love Charlotte. The luck of the Irish. Irish. Farina's the one who got me on Irish. That's the one word that gets me into the Irish accent. Arkansas. Let's go, Drops. I need to come visit you. New York, Florida, Colombia, Dominican Republic, Brazil, Antarctica. That's not true. No way. Melbourne, Bali, Greenland. Really? Greenland? Portugal. Let's go. Guys, we need 30 more likes to trigger the instant direct-to-funded 50K Lightning Tradeify account. We need 30 more likes. Smash that like button, guys. We almost have 700 people in the room right now. Smash that like button for us. Let's get to 600, and we'll do our Tradeify 50K direct-to-funded account giveaway, all right? From the moon. That's hilarious. Pakistan, Yorkshire, Deutschland. Farina and Lucas, I think, are both from Germany. Deutschland is not Germany. Is Deutschland Germany, or is that the Deutschland is not Norway, is it? Denmark? Is Deutschland Denmark, or is that Germany? I don't know. Strait of Hormuz. Coming, trading from the Strait of Hormuz, stuck on a tanker out there. Pacific Ocean, sweet. 4 more likes, guys. Let's go. Let's get it up there. $5.99. We need 1 more. So close. I know you want that Tradeify account. I know you want it. If you didn't trade Lucid accounts, what's your next pick? Probably My Funded Futures or Funded Next. I'm really looking forward to the new Prop Score website to come out. What's up, babe? Yeah, it's right here. Yeah. It's all folded up. Yeah, that's the way the last one was. Yeah. So how was class? You look very sweaty. Everybody say hi to Lady Darb. Wave your hand in the camera. I can see you. There you are. Yeah, there she is. Just got out of her Hot Pilates class. She's dropping off some Taco Bell. Thank you, love. Appreciate that. Is there a straw in there? All right, thank you. I love you so much. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right. Woo. You're stinky. He's stinky. All right. Let me. I gotta get some nourishment. 620. Let's go, baby. 620. Hell yeah. Let me eat real quick, and then we'll do the giveaway. Okay. I gotta get some food. I'm starving. She swung through Taco Bell and grabbed me some tacos. So I'll probably have to be taking a bathroom break. Little margin call here in a little bit, I imagine. Still pumping higher here, guys. Over those highs. ES is working its way to the previous day high at 68.76. I think that's where, NQ is probably just going to kind of keep melting up from its current location. ES would be when ES reaches that daily high in the bottom of its weekly war gap here. You might see some resistance on ES. Might be an opportunity to look for a short scalp off of that area up there. And then we'll see how NQ responds. I'm going to watch ES because that's really the closest level. And if we get a pullback down into HP, I'd probably be looking to buy that. So, all right, let's see what we got here. We got some, a chicken soft taco. Nice. I can afford Taco Bell after my $1,000 payout tonight. Yeah, I was never in the doghouse. I thought I was in the doghouse, but it wasn't me. It was other things that were going on. I caught the tail end of just kind of a bad situation. Sinister Scalper says another year that taco is going to be $1,000 with the inflation. Maybe not wrong. All right. One taco down. I'll save the other taco here for a minute. What should the keyword be for our 50K Tradeify account? What keyword should we use, guys? Drop me some suggestions in chat. What keyword should we use? Taco, funded, taco. We used Taco Tuesday the other night already when Trump chickened out and announced the ceasefire. No pants. Booby camp. Everybody likes taco. Okay. Let me get my comment picker. Hold on. Let me get my comment picker tool up here. We can do Taco Thursday. Let's see if I can get it. Let me see if it's too long. Taco Thursday, all one word. Let me see if it works. Nope. Hold on. Don't type anything. I gotta reload it. I gotta reload it. Hold on. Let's see if it works. Hold on. All right, it's working. Taco Thursday. One word, Taco Thursday. Type Taco Thursday, one word, type it in chat. We're giving away a 50K Tradeify. I'm going to eat my taco while y'all are typing. You only have to type it once. My gosh. Y'all are going crazy. You only have to type it one time. You don't have to spam it. ES pushing higher here, man. Only about 8 more points to yesterday's high. All right, you got 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute to type. If you're just joining the stream, chat is typing in Taco Thursday as the code word. 1 word, Taco Thursday. That's the keyword to get you entered into a drawing where we are giving away a 50K instant funded Tradeify Lightning account. This is not an evaluation. It is a direct to funded account. You don't have to pass an eval and then try to pass a funded account. All of the profits that you're making go towards your payout. You don't have to pass an eval. It's over $300 value. And because we got over 600 likes, we're giving it away. Giving back to the community tonight. We've already given away 1 funded next 25K rapid account. We've given away 4 rocket scooter boot camps. We're about to give away a 50K Tradeify. And if we set a new record tonight with 750 likes, if we set a new record of 750 likes, I probably have something extra special for you. We have, holy shnikes. We just set a new record of highest concurrent viewers with 774 concurrent viewers. Let's go, baby. Holy shnikes. From the late, great Chris Farley. Dad, come, man. Where are all these people coming from? We haven't ever broken 800. We haven't broken 800 yet. Oh, NQ ripping, man. Woo, baby. All right, so maybe we get there tonight, dude. If we could get a rip up here tonight. If we could get a rip, I'm just going to mark a level like... I'm going to do like 3... somewhere in here. I'm going to do like 380. All right, I'm going to leave that there. I would be willing to maybe start looking at shorting it off of any pops up in that rate. That's the first little area, and then up to probably like 420. Of course. Dadgummit. I've got to get Epic Pin on here. So this range in here is where I would be looking to maybe build a short from. We'll see how it plays out. We'll see if we can get up there. 780 people. New record. New record. 780 people. Welcome to the night shift, guys. You're putting a big old smile on my face right now. I'm blushing a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm blushing just a little bit. This is a surreal moment. A year ago, I was watching this channel, learning how to trade Rocket Scooter, a break-even trader. Now, a year later, I am on his show, and there's 780 people watching me trade and stream. I don't even know how to respond to that. This is insane, man. All right. 12 seconds, 11 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, stop typing. No more entries. The entries are closed. The entries are closed. No more entries. No more entries. You can stop typing. If you're not in, you're not getting in. You missed your chance. We have 359 entries for the 50K Tradeify Lightning Instant Direct Funded account. All right, so we're going to shuffle it up. I'm going to take out Rocket Scooter because Matt don't need to win that. Uh-oh. All right, guys, we're going to shuffle this up here right now. We're shuffling it up. Turn the ads off. Good luck, everyone. Spinning the wheel. The winner. David Weber. Congratulations, David. You are the winner of the 50K Tradeify Instant Funded account. Type something in chat to claim your prize. Rigged. Congratulations, David Weber. Type something in chat, bud. There you go. I see you, my friend. I see you. All right, David, here's what you're going to do. To claim your prize, you are going to go into the Rocket Scooter Discord. You can find a link to the Discord in the description of this video below. Go to the contest channel, send our admin Slacks a message, let him know that you won the Tradeify 50K account. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and he's going to tell you how to claim your prize. So, congrats, man. That's freaking awesome. I hope that account works out for you. Come back here and report in. Let me know how it goes. Let me know how it goes for you. Guys, I'm completely blown away by the way you support this channel, and you have continued to show up and support, smash a like, share, subscribe, all the things. We get bigger and bigger every week, and now every night. We're making new records. We just broke another record with concurrent viewers tonight, so thank you so much for that. If we make a new record on our likes, I think it was like 730 was our like so far. If we get to 750 likes tonight, I'll have something a little extra special for you in the goodie bag. All right, so let's see if we can get up there. We're so close. We're almost at 700 right now. I think we'll probably get there. Maybe I should just make it 800 and see if we can get all the way to 800. Who the hell knows? Man, I kind of wish I wouldn't have dumped out on my trade there. We caught a banger trade right down here. We got in right here tonight, right where I'm drawing my little green dot. We got in right there, and we rode it all the way back up. We got out at these session highs right here. We wiped out a $188 loss and added $158 on top of that. So that was like a $340 winner. But it has continued just to melt up higher and higher here. If we can get some kind of big pop in the next hour-ish, I would be willing to maybe build in a short from there. I don't know if we're going to get up that high. ES is still reaching for its previous day high, yesterday's high at 68.76. I think that's the next stop, honestly. And I think that's about where we might see some rollovers start to happen as we dip into that liquidity pool and those resting limit orders that are going to be up here, those stop orders. And it's also at the bottom. It's right at the bottom of the initial gap down when the war started. So this red box right here, the top of the box is the last Friday close price. before the war broke out. And then we opened on Sunday night right down here at the bottom. And that is where that's also where we came up to Thursday's price today and stalled out at. So I imagine ES is going to struggle here a little bit. It may not like give you a big pullback, but that could be an opportunity to scalp a short off of. Pistrom, I do trade ES. Yeah, absolutely. I take trades on ES and NQ. It just kind of depends. It kind of depends on where they're at and how they're responding and just kind of my own intuition and discretion in the moment. Reason to trade said just not your night. I was in a good trade, but then I got scared and jumped out. Oh, man, I hate to hear that. Duarte Machado says, Brad, MFF TV have less than half of the viewers right now. Is that Kalajian? Is he on right now? Or is it somebody else? ES is MES is the micro, ES is the standard mini, and the MES is the micro ES. They move in sync together. There's just a different instruments to trade. They are separate instruments, so you might see some discretion in the ticks and the point movement, but I trade micros on these 25K accounts. Let's go, Kevo, baby. Kevin dropping in a Rocket Scooter Bootcamp donation. We just hit 700 likes for the third night in a row. That is absolutely insane to me. 3 nights in a row with 700 likes. Thanks, Kevin, for that dono, for celebrating that. We'll give away 4 more boot camps here, guys. SK? Okay. I mean, yeah, SK was one of the guys that was on my target list to overtake. So nice to see that we've kind of overtaken My Funded Futures. I'll tell you this, guys. It's not just Stephen K's show. This show runs for about 4 hours a night. And we're averaging between 7,000 and 8,000 views a night overall in those 4 hours. The My Funded Futures morning show that has 7 streamers on it all morning long only is averaging like 4. We're like doubling the morning show on My Funded Futures. So, but it's a little different to compare the Asia session night shift with the New York session because there's a lot of competition. There is a lot of competition. The competition is very tight, and the quality of streamers and traders in the New York session is just it's just a thicker field. And so, you know, having a show that can pull away from some of the bigger streamers is going to be way more difficult. So even though I'm kind of getting the same amount of views, I'm just right behind Matt's views for the morning show. The night shift is, but it's kind of comparing apples to oranges because the competition in the Asia session is just thinner. So there's not quite as many streamers and there's not quite as many big name streamers streaming the Asia session. So we're trying to take advantage of that and really build out a really strong Asia session show. And we have, but we're not done. We're not even close to being done. Yeah, iLiquidity, as soon as the market reopens at 6 p.m., that is the Friday session. So yeah, any trades that you take when the market reopens at 6 p.m., they count towards Friday's session. Thanks, Pam. I appreciate it. Pam was here for like one of the very first streams we ever did. She was not part of the Rocket Scooter family, and she jumped in on like either day 1 or day 2. And she's been here almost every show since. She's an OG. Jack Carson says, thanks so much. I opened a second account thinking I had to wait until tomorrow to trade on the first one again. Am I seriously competing against Matt? I thought you guys were on the same team. Well, competing only for bragging rights. It's definitely not a competition. We're on the same team. We're operating in the same business. I'm his employee. But how awesome would it be for me to have some bragging rights over Daddy Matt, getting more views than Daddy Matt? I think that would be, that's just fun bragging rights. We're definitely on the same team. Chuck says he did a quick search. It looks like this is the most watched show currently. That's awesome. I want to get up to me, like every 100 is a big goal, like 800 concurrent, 900. To me, 1,000 concurrent viewers seems like 2 months ago. Like, guys, seriously, listen to this. Like 2 months ago when I started this stream, less than 2 months ago, when I started this stream, I kind of had in my mind, like, you know, like metrics of what I would consider, like how it would be going, like if it would be a success or not, or if I was doing a good job. And I was thinking in my head, like, man, if like two or 3 months into this, if I could have like 200 or 300 concurrent viewers, I think I would be doing really, really well. Oh, and now here we are, and I'm talking about, and to think like 2 months ago, to think that we're coming up on like 800 concurrent viewers and soon to be maybe 1,000 concurrent viewers, that, like, I didn't even think that was a realistic goal for like at least 9 months to a year. I thought this thing would be a much slower bragging rights. I like it. I'm going to get a shirt. I got bragging rights. The first 1,000 like stream is going to be off the hook, baby. The AI music getting the views. It maybe it's the music. It's not the trader. It's the tunes. Pam, you think it's no more than a week away? I don't know. I mean, I'm not putting anything. I didn't think we would be where we are right now. Honestly, I swear to God, I did not think we would be averaging the viewers that we're averaging right now. So maybe 1,000 is a week away. I think it's probably, I think sometime in May. My birthday is May 13th. My birthday is May 13th. How awesome would it be on my birthday to have the first 1,000 concurrent viewer stream? That would be pretty sick. What a cool birthday present. Skeletor says, does Matt allow you to do what you want to create and improve on your own show? Yeah, this is my show. Matt has said I can do whatever I want. I can, any ideas, any creativity. This is my show. Now, obviously, he's my boss, and if he came in and said, stop doing that, or maybe think about this, I would obviously listen to that. But yeah, no, he said, man, this is your show. Do what you want. Spencer says, how long did it take you to become consistently profitable, and how did you not give up while trying to get there? Both really great questions. So I started my trading journey in like 2017, 2018, trading Forex and CFDs, trading prop firms on the Forex side of things. And it took me probably until about 2020 until I started seeing profitability with that. And then in 2022, I started streaming in the mornings, trading Forex and CFDs, and grew that channel to where it was getting sponsored by a couple of different firms. And then I got into a bad motorcycle accident a couple of years ago. And the Forex firm started shutting out all of the US traders. I was trading like my funded futures started as my Forex funds. So my funded futures was my Forex funds, MFF. And I was trading with them. I was trading with FTMO. I was trading with Bespoke Funding. I was trading with, there were some others around back then. And then, but they started denying US traders the ability to trade with them because for a lot of different reasons. But I also got into a motorcycle accident, stopped streaming. After I recovered from my accident, I started getting back into trading, but I could only do futures. And so I started learning how to trade futures, trading the technical analysis that I was using and volume profiles and stuff. It translated over to futures, but the drawdown limits were so much more tight. The rules are just way more restrictive on the future side of things than on the Forex side of things. So I traded for about a year and a half on the future side, and it didn't take me long to get to break even because I'd already kind of cut my teeth, so to speak, trading with Forex and kind of going through taking my lumps and bumps on the Forex side of things. And the trading psychology and the discipline and all that kind of stuff. So, it wasn't until about a year ago when I found Rocket Scooter that I became profitable, consistently, not even break even, but consistently profitable overall in my trading journey. And how the second part of your question was, like what kept me going and why did I not give up? A lot of that was just my why. Like I had a big why. I was not going to just be stuck. I wasn't just going to be financially stuck like this for the rest of my life. And so there was no way I was going to give up. There was no way I was just going to quit and throw in the towel. You spend so much time and you put in so much effort and you grind so hard and you find a little success. It's like 2 steps forward, 3 steps back, right? I mean, you guys are very familiar with the trading journey, and you try this and you try that and you jump from this strategy to this strategy to the next strategy. You go from one Discord community to another. You watch one streamer to another. You find one mentor, then another. And you think it's all of these external things that are keeping you from becoming profitable. And in the end, it's really not any of those external things. It's all what's going on between your ears that is keeping you from becoming profitable. There are profitable traders that trade all kinds of strategies, and they consistently pull out payouts, or they're trading their own live cash accounts. And it's because they didn't quit. They just kept showing up. They would take the lumps, they would get knocked down, and they would push themselves back up and stand back up and keep going. And that's really probably one of the, that's a passion of mine, is to really help traders who are struggling with that psychology side of things to try to overcome that and to try to get to a spot where you can where you can finally get to a spot where it's like I feel like I've kind of conquered that part. You've put in the time to learn the charts, but it's really kind of learning how you respond under pressure in those moments. The setup can be perfect, the levels can be perfect, your strategy, you can have your strategy down to like the back of your hand, but then just because you didn't follow your own rules, you get slapped around because of the way you are responding to the market and you're responding to the trading environment. And you start to chase when you shouldn't. You start to tilt when you shouldn't. You start to over leverage when you shouldn't. You start cutting your winners too early. You're letting your losers run too long. You start revenge trading. And that's not a strategy problem. That's a psychology and a discipline problem. And that's the name of the game when it comes to being a profitable, successful trader. There's no shortcut. There's no shortcut. There's no indicator that can fix that. There's no video that's suddenly going to make you a disciplined trader. It gets built the hard way. You have to take the trade. You have to mess it up. You have to get knocked down. You have to evaluate it. You have to look at it. You have to learn from it. And then you have to try again and be better the next time. That's the process. And some days you're going to feel completely locked in and like everything is just flowing and you're in the zone. And then other days it's going to be like, what am I even doing right now? And guys, that is completely normal. The goal is not to be perfect. We're not going to be perfect. The goal is to be consistent. Can you just show up? Can you follow your plan? And can you live with the result that comes from that? Because if you can do that over and over and over, trust me, you're going to be fine. And most people quit right there, right? Kind of in that messy middle when it's just not clicking. But I promise you it's closer than you think. So if you're kind of in that spot right now and you're frustrated, you're inconsistent, you're just trying to figure it all out, good. That means you're still here. Don't bail. Don't quit. Don't give up. Because the people who make it in this business, it's not that they're the smartest. They're just the ones who stuck around long enough and fought hard enough to figure it out. All right, that's my speech. Let's listen to the song. Let's listen to my song. This is my new favorite song that it encapsulates everything that I just said to you. It encapsulates everything that I just said to you. My new favorite song is called I'm Still Here. This song hits me in the feels every single time. All right, let me turn it up. This song is dedicated to all you struggling traders out there. You traders that feels like you're just banging your head against the wall. You're not quite there. The good news is you just keep showing up.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again, I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. time I broke my rules. Every time I knew better and didn't do better. That was me. But I didn't leave. They said you done. They said you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I outlived that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I outlived that. I'm still here. I'm still here. After all that noise, after all that doubt, I'm still here. I'm still here.
Gosh, man. That song just... That song just does something to me. Keep fighting on, baby. Keep showing up. Keep fighting on. Keep showing up. Oh, gosh. What a freaking night. This has been incredible, y'all. All right, here's that Suno playlist. If you like the music that you're listening to, guys, it's all free. You can find it all in that Suno playlist that I just dropped in chat. All of the music that you're listening to tonight is created by yours truly. If you didn't know, my day job is I'm a musician. I am an audio engineer by trade, by education, studio recording engineer, and then I work at a church and I oversee all of the music production, programming, video production for the church I work at, and so it's my life. I have written many songs, produced many songs, getting a nice little dip down here at the start of this hour on ES. NQ coming back into its previous day high. Be interesting to see if we hold above that previous day high here or if we want to short back down into it. I still think we're going to creep higher, but yeah, anyway, that's all the music, man. Order filled. No, I have it. Adam Daz, I still have it. I need to work that one up. Hectron says, my first time here. I already love it. Good vibes. Thanks, man. Thank you so much for that compliment. Thanks for showing up. Welcome to the Rocket Scooter family. Smash that like button. Guys, we're at 749 likes. We're about to cross 750 likes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. A new record. We have broken the most concurrent viewer record tonight. And we just got 755 likes. Can we make it 800? Can we get to freaking 800 likes tonight? 755. Let's go. The show starts at 7 Eastern, Sharkall. Show starts at 7 Eastern, and we go for about 4 hours. Mimi Fuwa says, hey, in your opinion, how many contracts would you personally feel comfortable trading with a mini if you had 2K drawdown? I don't know that I would trade a mini with 2K drawdown. I would probably do like 5 to 7 micros with 2K drawdown. That's plenty. That's plenty of leverage. All right. Guys, thank you so much. Dude, I kind of want to wait till 800. We're at 7CC7. Holy crap. Are we going to get to 800 tonight? Are we going to get to 800 likes tonight? Oh my gosh. Are we going to get to freaking 800 likes? 700 for 3 nights in a row. And I think we might get to freaking 800. Tell your grandma, tell your husband, tell your wife, tell your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your baby daddy, your baby mama, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your aunt, your uncle, your best friend, your side piece. Go get your kid's iPad, give them a YouTube account, log in. 786, oh my God. Oh my God, we're gonna get to 800 likes tonight. This is absolutely crazy. We have 4 boot camps to give away. I have a surprise account giveaway to give to you. And we're gonna get to 800 likes. What a freaking way to end the week. Oh my God. Patience gets paid, baby. Louis Verse, check out my songs. Tell me what you think about them. Cool. Yeah, I'll check them out. Are they in the song submission channel? Woo! Oh my God. What the hell? What the hell? Oh my God. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God, dude. What is happening? Oh my God. We still have an hour in the show. We still have an hour. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo! My heart is beating so fast right now, y'all. My heart is beating so fast right now. I love you guys. Oh my God, I love you guys. I'm blushing again. My cheeks are hot. Oh my God, dude. Woo! I don't even know what's happening right now. What is this? Holy crap, dude. Okay. Let me focus. Lock in. Okay. First of all, we're winning. We're just winning. That's what we do here. We just win. We're just winners. Farina, nudes for everyone at 1,000 likes. The booby camp starts at 1,000 likes. Booby camp at 1,000 likes. Purely for engagement purposes only. All right. Here we go. All right, so let me tell you what's going to happen right now. Let me tell you what's going to happen right now. You're going to type in 800 into the chat right now. That's your keyword. Type in 800 into the chat right now. You don't even know what I'm going to give you. You don't even know what I'm going to give you, but I bet you're going to want to type in 800. You're going to want to type in 800 into the chat right now. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even know what's happening right now. Holy crap. Oh. What a way to end the week, y'all. What a way to end the week. Oh my God, this is an incredible night, incredible show, incredible chat. incredible community. I'm just speechless. I truly am just speechless right now. That Thursday high is holding up here a little bit. Very interesting to see. Hey, Uncle Nelly just sent in two 10 day trading memberships. Thank you, guys. Thank you for that, Dono. Appreciate that. Very nice, very nice. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? It's doing it again. It's doing it again. The freaking comment pickers crashed on me. Freaking comment picker crashed on me. Hold on, y'all. I gotta restart it. I don't know why it's crashing out. Type in 800. Keep typing it. Keep typing it. No one has been picked up. I was like, why isn't it picking anybody up? And it just crashed. Type in 800 again. Type in 800 again. Sorry. That was not a ploy just for engagement. It really did absolutely crash. FOMO. I literally cannot believe we've gotten to 800 likes tonight. We had 700 for the last 2 nights. And here we are. All right, I'm going to give you 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. 1 more minute.
I control it. I don't need it. I outgrow it. FOMO. Flashing green, bait the crowd. Loud moves, get you loud. I stay still, let it breathe. 1 clean shot, all I need. Hold the line, stay composed. Miss moves, come and go, 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 go. FOMO.
All right, you have 45 seconds. Getting a nice little sell-off here. Swept the previous day high. Swept the previous day high.
Slow down. Don't react. Feel it rise.
All right, 3, 2, 1, and closed. Entries are closed. Stop typing. Entries are closed. You can stop typing. Entries are off. Entries are off. All right. I know you're wondering, why was I just typing 800 into the chat? What was the big deal? Well, first of all, we broke a new record. We broke our record of concurrent viewers. We had over 780 concurrent viewers. And we set a new like record of 800 likes tonight on the show. So huge thanks, guys, for stepping up, supporting the channel, smashing that like button. Of course, we tell you every single night, the more likes, the more giveaways. And tonight, as a special treat, to say thank you for smashing that like button, to say thank you for showing up, for supporting the channel, for tuning in and watching this regular Joe trade these little micros in front of you every single night. I am going to give away a 50K Lucid account. Winner's choice of a flex or a pro. Winner's choice. Thank you, Lady Darb. Look at my baby showing up. Winner's choice, all right? I'm going to give a 50K Lucid account, and the winner can choose flex or pro. All right? Thank you guys for watching me tickle some wicks. I am the Wick Tickler, and I'm here to give away one more account for you guys tonight. One more account. 50K Lucid. Winner's choice, Flex or Pro. Wireless 1601. Congratulations, you're the winner of a Lucid 50K account. Type something in chat. Let me know that you're here, and let me know if you want the Flex or the Pro. Wireless 1601. There you are. Let's go. Rigged. Rigged. I love it. I love it. I love it. Congratulations, man. Do you want the Flex or the Pro? If you don't know, chat will help you out. Yeah, you can. Yeah, why wouldn't you? It's a free account, buddy. I trade both of them. I trade the Flex and the Pros. They both have their advantages. They both have their pros. They both have their cons. You want the Flex or the Pro? No homo, but I love you, bud. I love you too, man. It's totally fine to express love for each other. There's nothing wrong with telling anyone that you love them. Same sex or not. Take the Flex. You got it. All right, Wireless, go into the Discord, go to the contest channel. Let Slacks know that you are the winner. I'm letting him know right now. Why they watching? I don't get this. No context, just reckless. Scrolling charts like it's instant food. Wants to trade every minute or two. I'm letting him know right now. Go slow. All right, so send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Let him know you're the winner, and he'll hook you up with your new account. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here, Wireless, supporting the channel. Thank you to everyone for being here and supporting the channel. But don't go anywhere because, gosh, we're not done. We had another boot camp dono for getting to over 700 likes. Holy hell, we're about to cross 850 likes. Oh my God. They just keep coming. That's what she said. Is Slack still here? I haven't seen Slacks tonight in the channel, but I bet he's lurking somewhere. We have 4 more boot camps to give away. We have 4 more boot camps. What's up? How are you? You coming in to say hi to everybody? Piggy's here, everybody. Come on in, say hi. There she is. Hey, you can be like right here.
My backpack's heavy. It's like 50 pounds.
Where you been?
In
babysitting.
Babysitting? How'd that go?
Good.
Yeah?
She's really sweet.
Nice.
We went to Target twice,
Nice.
TJ Maxx and Ross, and Chick-fil-A.
So you just got to go shopping while you got paid to go shopping?
Pretty much.
Nice. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good.
fun.
Did you see the show? I have 850 likes.
Dang.
We just hit a new record again just now. 850 likes. Yeah. I know. It's crazy. But yeah. Yeah. Thanks for stopping in, babe.
I had to park in the
Yeah. Good luck. All right. I love you. I'll see you in a little bit. That was my youngest daughter. We call her affectionately Piggy. Her nickname is Piggy. I know it's a term of infection. It's not an insult. All farmed likes. Oh, that's hilarious. Kevin says 1K for sure on Sunday. I don't know. Maybe. All right. Where were we at? We are Juan. Why are you dropping all that in there? I don't even know what's happening. Maddie Daddy Matt coming in. What's up, bro? You just made some steaks? Hey man, you need to fire me up a steak because we're at 863 likes. Record concurrent viewers, record likes. Let's go. The stream has been absolutely on fire tonight, dude. It has been absolutely insane in here. We are crushing it. All right, we're about to give away 4 boot camps, guys. We're about to give away 4 boot camps. Farina, I did it for engagement. Oh, gosh. We might get to 900 likes. We still have like 30 minutes to go. This is absolutely crazy, man. Absolutely crazy. All right, we're going to give away 4 more boot camps. So if you have not taken if you have not won a rocket scooter boot camp and you would like to be in the drawing for a rocket scooter boot camp, we're going to give away 4 more right now. You know the drill. Type in the word boot camp to be entered into the drawing. Type in boot camp right now if you would like to be entered into the drawing. If you have never won a rocket scooter boot camp before and you would like the opportunity to take it, type in boot camp right now. We almost got to 800 concurrent viewers. We were so close to 800 concurrent viewers tonight. Super close. I would love, by my birthday next month, May 13th is my birthday. By my birthday, I want to have 1,000 concurrent viewers on this show by my birthday. I think that would be just an incredible, in 3 months, to go from no show to 1,000 concurrent viewers would be, oh God, I don't even know. Like, I don't even know how to put it. I don't even know how to put it into words right now to just express my gratitude for where we're at right now. ES bouncing right off of VWAP down here. NQ could not hold above the previous day high. Bouncing off of Wednesday's high right now. I'm wondering, are we going to stall out and kind of head back into the range, or are we going to try to push up higher into those higher time frame pivots up there? All right, I'm going to give you Yeah, Matt. So I think I gave my analysis earlier tonight. I think that we're going to have one more day, or at least for the next like 12 hours, like into lunchtime. I think we get an exhaustion rally, kind of up just below DD band. And then I think we put in an upper daily wick. I think we put in an upper daily wick somewhere just south of DD band. And then we sell off towards the end of the day back towards where we are kind of about right now. So I just think that the market is still really wanting to just kind of exhale this ceasefire good news. And that's why I just think, you know, we took out the news high, the ceasefire news high. We took that out today. We've pushed higher into the Asia session. I really think that we're probably going to push up and just get another quick short squeeze, exhaustion, bullish run somewhere up in like the 375 to 450 area. And then I think we stall out and sell off in the afternoon and put in just a kind of an upper wick on this weekly candle here. And then next week, I think economic data potentially takes back over and we start seeing some repricing lower after that. So that's kind of my vibe. That's where I was going into with these two trades that we took tonight that we executed to perfection. So, all right, guys, you can stop typing. No more entries. No more entries. The entries are closed. We're going to spin the wheel one more time for 4 boot camps. Let me get rid of all these guys. This is just for people who have never won a boot camp before, okay? So, shuffling it up, spinning the wheel. The first winner of the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp is John Carrington. Congratulations, John. Type something in chat to claim your prize. John Carrington, type something in chat to claim your prize. You're winner number 1. Anybody seen John? There he is. All right. John, you're the winner. You're winner number 1. Hang on just a minute, bro. Let me spin all of these winners out, and then I'll tell you how to claim your prize. All right. Shuffling up, spinning the wheel for winner number 2. BJ, Booty Camp's always taking new entries. Skeletor, let's go, buddy. Skeletor, you're winner number 2. Type something in chat to claim your prize, Skeletor. All right, there's Skeletor. Winner number 2. All right, shuffling up for winner number 3. Yeah, that song that was playing before was not on my playlist. It just randomly went to something off of my playlist in Suno, so I don't have no idea what that was. I got it back on my playlist. We're good. Alex Hallen, congratulations. You're winner number 3. Type something in chat. Type into chat and let me know you're here, Alex Hallen, to claim your prize. I see you. All right, that was winner number 3. Got one more. We'll spin it up one more time, guys. Last boot camp coming in. Andrea Walker, congratulations. I think this might be your first time in tonight, too, and you just won a Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. Type something in chat, Andrea Walker. Let me know you're here to claim your prize. Yeah, I'll give you directions in just 1 second, buddy. I'm waiting for Andrea Walker to type something. There she is. All right, congratulations, guys. You all, the 4 of you have just won a Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. To claim your prize, you're going to go into the description of this video below, and you're going to find a link to the Rocket Scooter Discord. Go to the contest channel inside the Rocket Scooter Discord. You're going to find our admin named Slacks and send him a message. Let him know that you won the boot camp on Brad's night shift. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and Slacks will tell you how to claim your prize for the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. Congratulations, guys. I hope you enjoy it. It was the game changer. It was the absolute game changer for me, and I hope it will be for you too. I looked down as I just finished that statement, and we're at 881 likes. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that I would come on the show tonight and think that we would be able to get 900 likes. Never in my wildest dreams did I think we would be able to get 900 likes on the show tonight. Oh my. And the night shift is playing. And the night shift is playing. I literally cannot believe this is happening right now. I'm just speechless. I don't even understand it. Love the show, love the energy. I'm new, will become a regular. Thanks, Prophet Pilot. I appreciate that, man. 894. Gabe says I'm a bot from North Korea. So I'm just watching. I'm like locked in. All these people that left, there's only 584 people watching. 897. 897. Slacks is going to kill me. Farina, you get feet pics at 1,000. You get feet pics. 898. Oh my God. Oh my God. Somebody's cutting onions over here in this office somewhere, man. Nine 912. 900. You just liked it again. You can only like it once. Y'all, 916. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Like, I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. I don't know a better way to say thank you. I don't know a better way to say thank you than to give you another account. I can't think of a better way to say thank you. All right. If Slacks gets mad at me, he's gonna get mad at me. I'll buy him. I'll buy him lunch. I'll buy him lunch. If Slacks gets mad at me, I'm buying him lunch. Slacks needs to relax. I'm giving away another lucid flex. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. 900. Let's do it right now. Type in 900. Slacks. There he is. Hey, what's up, buddy? Type in 900 right now. We're doing another lucid 50K. Because our promise is that more likes is more giveaways. Unfreaking believable, y'all. Unfreaking believable. Unfreaking believable. I am without words to describe my gratitude. I am without words to describe my gratitude right now. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I am honored to sit in this seat and get behind this microphone and hang out with you every single night for 4 hours and try to just figure out how to make a little extra money together, you know? I am honored just to be able to sit here and share my journey, and hopefully some part of that can help you along in your journey. Golly, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Alex, Hallen, have a great night. Oh, gosh. You don't have to spam it. It picks you up. It picks you up. You only have to type it one time, guys. For all of you that have been hanging out here, for everyone that's been hanging out here all night and you stuck in for the longest 4 hours, thank you so much for hanging out with me this entire time. We just crossed 8,100 views, over 8,000 views for the night. Kind of crazy. Just more milestones keep getting ticked off. All right. Let me grab all these. You got 20 more seconds, and then we'll grab everything, and we'll spin up We'll spin up the wheel one more time. We'll spin up the wheel one more time. Come on, get rid of all that. All right, 3, 2, 1. Entries are closed. Stop typing. Entries are closed. All right, here we go. We're going to give away one more 50K flex, or not a flex. Winner's choice. You can have a flex or a pro. A 50K Lucid account coming your way to say thank you. To say thank you for getting to 900 likes. And we're at 932. It just keeps going up. All right, I'm going to spin the wheel, guys. The winner of another Lucid 50K account. Mathematical, congratulations. You are the winner. Mathematical, you're the winner of a Lucid 50K. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. There you go, buddy. Mathematical, you are the winner. I see you. Let me know, do you want the flex or do you want the pro? Mathematical, do you want the flex or the pro, my friend? Flex it is. Flex it is for Mathematical. You're going to go into the Discord. You're going to go to the contest channel in the Discord. Go message our admin named Slacks. Let him know that you won a Lucid 50K Flex account on the night shift. Oh, gosh. Y'all, what an incredible journey this has been. What an incredible night it has been. I don't even, you know what I'm most sad about right now? I'm most sad that tomorrow the market closes at 4 p.m., 5 p.m., and I don't get to hang out with you tomorrow night or Saturday night. Like, it's going to be 2 more days till we get to do this again. I'm like super bummed that, I mean, I'm super pumped that to end the week on this kind of a show is absolutely phenomenal. Like, going out on a high, going out on cloud 9 to end the week. Nothing better to go into the weekend with that. We got $1,000 payout tonight that hit my bank in 42 seconds. We are going to request another $900 payout tomorrow night. We still have 3 fully funded accounts with max drawdown on them. We have an eval that we're working our way up. We hit our max concurrent viewers that the stream has had. We hit our max likes at 937 likes so far tonight. That's absolutely insane. 2 nights ago, I thought 700 was going to be a lot. And it was. And now here we are 3 nights later, and we're at 937. We gave away 2 extra 50K flex accounts from Lucid. We gave away a straight to funded Tradeify account. We gave away 8 boot camps. 8 boot camps we gave away. Like, you guys show up and you guys support, and this is, it doesn't even feel like a job. Like, I would be watching and trading and doing this anyway, but to be able to get to do this with you guys every night is just absolutely insane. So thank you. And I think for me right now, there's not a better way. The only way that this stream and this show could absolutely get better right now is for me to tuck you all in, pull up the covers, turn off the lights, wish you sweet dreams of green for tomorrow, for the weekend. Don't forget to watch Matt's show in the morning. Don't forget to watch Neon's show in the afternoon. I will be back with you on Sunday night when the market opens. Until then, I truly mean this from the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart. I love you all. I love you all. Night shift is clocking out. Let's listen to the best closing song in the history of closing songs. I love you guys. Good night. Lucas, good night. Fernando, we love you. Have a great night, man. Good night. Coach Greg, good night. These are going to go by so fast. Rod Trades, Adam, 98 SR, Lord Kick, Mackie, Rogue of the Lamb, good night, guys. Sweet dreams. I'm not going to get them all. Kimberly, MMC, Spencer, Rubber, Vanderost, Walkerhound, Frazier, good night. Croatian Sensation, Karina, Matt, Kevin. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Hectron, Mom Bucks, Dan. Have a great night, guys. I love you all. Phoenix Trades, Tommy Ton. It Burns Trades, Dexter Goes Wild, David Weber, good night, Lucky Mon, Brian B-Dog, they're going so fast, Brett Allen, ADHD, have a great night. Oh, this is Toronto Americano, good night. Carlos Barragan, Mathematical Jessica Walker, thank you guys for being here, appreciate you, sweet dreams. Shelly Shields, Mr. Monopoly. Dylan Og, Kevio, Wireless, guys have a great night. Thank you so much for being here. Daily Mana, Sinister Scalper, Kurt Nichols, what a heck. DTLT Trades, Forged by Failure. Appreciate you guys. Love you. Have a great night. Moonlight, Duarte Machado, of course, Kevion, the code. Guys, thanks so much for being here. Have a great night. I am Liquidity. Dude, Kyle, thank you so much for showing up, bud. I love you. Have a great night. Sweet dreams. HCI Contractor, you missed a lot. I love you all so much. Y'all have sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight. Tonight, night.